Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 480, Bitcoin recovery and XRP holding. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're wanting to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Links also in the description. What's up? Squeeze on Silver. Who's in the house? Let's see. Barath, hi. How's it going? Philip, thanks for being here. Bring facts. Yo, thanks for being here, man. Bitcoin Mob, hey, good evening. Ready to jam and learn? Great. AB Lopez, hey, what's up, dude? Bring facts. Anyone holding physical silver? Yeah, I have some silver. Bit will go back to 32k. We'll see. Emo1T, what's up, chat? What's up, dude? Phil Mahoney. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Marky P. Nope, you're wrong. Last Hallow, 480. Interesting. Silver has you excited? Interesting, dude. Paul D, what's up, man? Good morning. Good morning to you, man. Good night to me, actually. All right, one down again. Yeah. Hotmokrin, what's up, dude? See what's up? Oh, Ducky D. Noah Mohammed. Dot Purepoint. What's up, dude? And Philip, thanks from Ohio. Awesome, dude. Jake, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. And yo, I think that's everyone so far. On that note, let's move on and to the main screen and see what is happening with crypto. What's happening with market cap? about 5" of what? No, or something. Market cap. Yesterday moved down a little bit, 2.99%, approximately 30 billion. That's a lot of that coming down. Again, rejecting the trillion area, right? Today, trying to move up. We already hit very, very close to a trillion. The highest we got was 998.69 billion, and that area we're rejecting. Started to pull back down a little bit. So, again, using support at the 20, which is really good, right? We used it yesterday, we held support, and right now we're trying to hold on to support there as well before we actually move back up. So it's pretty cool, man. Cozy ISOG, what's up? Thank you for being here. Have me here. Get this over here, and should be it, man. Thank you all for being here. Let's move on to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance at 63.37. Moving down, losing dominance yesterday, 0.46%. Gaining 0.45. So basically trying to undo what we lost yesterday. And recovering a little bit, and that's fine for Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin futures, right? Let's see how they're doing. Bitcoin futures at 34,025. Market is open already for February the 1st. You can tell we closed up here at 34,800, right? That was the closing from Friday. And we gapped down on the opening, right? We actually opened at 33,315. So now we get a small gap. Then we need to close, right? Hopefully today or tomorrow below that 20. So let's see if we're going to get up here and close that small gap that we have on Bitcoin, right? We can hit the top of that 20 before we actually reject, and we'll still be closing that gap. So interesting, right? Is in Mac pre-stream list? Yeah, I did. I'm not sure. Did you guys put it under Discord? I think it was there, man. I'm positive that I wrote it in, dude. Let's see file. Did I save this? It should be coming up, right? Up there in the corner, right? DVT, ooh, it's not loading it for some reason. Interesting. GRT and EOS are on the list also. It should load in the next ones, I guess. AB Lopez, you're only driving. So awesome, dude. That's great. Thank you for being here. I much appreciate that, man. All of you guys that are here, I really appreciate it. So thank y'all for being here. Let's roll with the stream. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's figure out what's going on. We actually got to look at the monthly because we were closing a month, right? And we're also closing a week. So very cool. Closing a week and a month on a Sunday. Not showing on coin list. Should be coming up soon. For some reason, it's not uploading it, so I already saved it. Let me see if I can do this here. There it is. I'm hoping that it now updated, so I'm actually just checking that real quick, see if it's gonna update. There it goes. For some reason it just wasn't updating, but there it is. Let's keep rolling. Anyways, what's happening with Bitcoin? We're starting to get a bounce already on February, opening on green, which is really good. Did manage to move down yesterday, rejecting that 20, but still holding and closing. We closed at 33,153, and we have that support at $33,090. So very, very close to that support. We're opening there and obviously pushing back up and getting above 33,309, which again gets us on target to maybe retest that 20. We're gonna try to get above 34,438. From yesterday to today, we have not done much. That negative momentum is about to die out, which is good, right? Let's hope we don't like expand it again, like we did here with this bullish effort, right? It was gonna die out and then we expand it again, so that we can actually get across the MACD over the signal line, go bullish again, and keep on pumping. Mike Smith, thank you for being here. Much appreciated, man.
What's up?
So high, low, positive, high, low. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. See where we're at. Dusty S22, Default Whale. Awesome. Thanks for being here, Dusty. Much appreciated. Hope you like the content. If you like what we do, you know what to do, right? Hit the like button on the sub. GRT? Sure, man. It's already on the list, Andrew. New? Sure, Pedro. Thanks for being here. I'm gonna get new here. XRP looking like it wants to break out. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. Korean bad side. Thank you for being here, man. Is that any good news for Ethereum? I'm not sure. We haven't gotten there. Joel Montiel, thank you for being here as well.
What's up?
What's happening with Bitcoin the 4 hour, right? Don't have anything bearish. Did we manage to create something bullish? Let's see. Yeah, we created a hidden bullish effort, which you don't think we're gonna have right. Again, getting that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? I'll see if we can manage to materialize that into an actual reversal and get above that 20. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And with that, we're neutral at 51.42. Let's see where we're at with regards to the fallen wedge that we were in. Still flirting with that line, really like just hugging it, more or less breaking back in, breaking back out. So we just take off from the fallen wedge and really just move up. It's not super bullish, it's kind of bearish, the fact that we're failing to bounce from here, right? That's just a little bit of the bearishness that I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Again, if it was really bullish, it would really just be hitting that area and taking back off again, right? So we'll see what happens there with Bitcoin. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what's happening there on the 1 hour Bitcoin, right? Do we have something here? No. Did we manufacture something? Yes, we're making hidden bearish divergence now, which would potentially get price action to the downside, right? And we have this against the MACD. Look, we're going from a low point to a higher point. Do we have it against the RSI? Nope. We're going from high to low. So just against the MACD, right? Hidden bearish divergence. So hidden bearish, potential movement down, might go to 33,309, and if we break there, the 20 we might try to hold support. Let's see if we can manage to materialize into something else. We did create some strong bullish, right, by around midday or so. So from here to here, right, lower low, and this should be anchored on the 1 hour. Yep, great. Negative, less negative, and that's at neutral at 3.21. That is that, right? Isaiah Moore, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Anyways, hidden bullish, strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish. So there's still a chance that Bitcoin might still be bullish. It might come down a little bit on that hidden bearish. And, you know, it could have been just this candle, right? We just went down a little bit and then we'll try to continue to the upside, try to break 34,400. That would be really good. So again, we had that strong bullish. Now we're creating that hidden bearish. Let's see if we can continue with that bullishness, right? Why you get notifications? I'm not sure, man. Sometimes you don't get them. All right, but thank you for that, man. And neutral at 53.43. Let's go to the weekly chart, see how Bitcoin closed that week. But I'm gonna go over here and where is a little bit cleaner. Right, we're looking at a potential falling wedge. That's fine. It's coming through. We're breaking out of that. So we did manage to close last week as a green candle still, which again, it's pretty cool for Bitcoin, all things considered. And that bearishness that we were seeing, and that really looks like we just want to move sideways a little bit. We're still overbought at 75.96. There's still a chance we might want to come back to neutral before we run up again. But right now, again, I'm hoping that we're going to get a continuation to the upside, maybe create some strong bearish divergence before we actually break down on the weekly, which could give us a couple more weeks of potential action to the upside. On that note, that's it for Bitcoin on the weekly. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly just looks horrible because of the lines, but anyways, we did manage to close a green January, right? Which a lot of people said. La Mathieu 2000. Hey Martin, est-ce du Québec? Non, je ne sais pas québécois. Non, je ne suis québécois. Je suis mexicain. But thank you for asking. What's that? Hemi1T getting fancy with the graphics? Yeah, a little bit. Hello!
What's up?
Thank you for being here. I have a... Really? Martin is not just French, bro. It's Spanish, English. It's all over the place, bro. But thank you for that. XRP breaking 50 cents again. Yeah. We'll check it in a second. Anyways, on the monthly, we're starting opening green February. Let's see if we can manage to retrace and hit that 41,000 again on February. That would be really cool for Bitcoin. So on that note, let's go here and let's go to the half hour. 30-minute Bitcoin. Right. Hidden bearish also, right? We'll look in the half hour. Hit here. And we're coming from high to low, and then we're going from low to high, right? So with that, we have hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish or potential action to the downside. Yeah. A lot of people ask that, right? I should just add that. Hashtag the Vault Whale. Thanks for being here, dude. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin. We looked at the weekly, the monthly, and we just covered it. Again, there's some bearish divergence on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour that could start putting pressure on the price of Bitcoin to go down a little bit. We might retest 33,309. Again, that wouldn't be bad. We might retest that 20, try to hold support and bounce. Let's see if we can materialize that. On the 4 hour, I think we're clear. We had the bullish divergence hidden. And on the daily, we still haven't developed anything. Last thing we have is a strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can get continuation. That'd be really cool. And then on the 1 hour again, just to crap it off, the hidden bearish came accompanied by some strong bullish first. So there's a chance we might get rid of this if that strong bullish is strong enough to keep on pumping. Algorand, sure. No worries, Camp Sonar. Thanks for being here. Yeah, I think AMC is should be fine. I guess there's a lot of chatter going around the AMC, so it hopefully still be good tomorrow, at least by market opening, right? Let's keep rolling. Let's go to Ethereum. Space. UPS wise, there's a great Chrome extension, right? I'm gonna keep on going with it. What is happening with Ethereum? Let's go on the daily first and see where we're going from there. Here on the daily, we had bearish divergence, section downside. We haven't created anything since. Moved down, hit that 1,292. We did slip slightly below it. Now we're pumping back up, and we're still in the same range, 1,387 to 1,292. What am I sipping on? OMG! Sipping on water. I had an old mug with tea that I already finished, but I just moved it from one side to the other. But here I have water. As clear as Wasser, man. Hey boys, do you FOMO XRP? Nope, no FOMO here, man. Duke of Dangle, lol. Wanna buy XRP? Interesting. Right on. Let's keep rolling with Ethereum. Again, nothing happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, low, positive, high, low. Great, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, if you remember, we said we could be consolidating into sort of like a triangle for Ethereum, and it'll be going something like this. And again, we're really not trading anything else besides something like this. Not the best looking triangle, but it's there. Ultra TK, what's up? They've been here.
What's up?
Yo. XRP just broke out. Yeah, we'll see. Is it breaking up again? Or like break out to the upside? Yeah, 52. Interesting. We'll check out XRP right after Ethereum. Anyways, not a lot happening in Ethereum on the 4-hour. Again, just moving sideways, neutral at 45.54. And again, we know XRP is pumping because there's a lot of hype going on that tomorrow is going to get pumped. So a lot of people are expecting it to be pumped. So it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy that is pumping because people are buying into it because they believe tomorrow is going to be pumped. So it can still get pumped tomorrow and it'll be fine. Get to determine, right? Looking at XRP here on the latest thing that we've created. Let's see. Low, lower. I think the more negative low, and there's a lower point. That's great, man. And here in the short term, we just created more strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? Carthago, they've ever been here, man. XRP flying, yeah, I know. I'm gonna go check out XRP right after this, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for the heads up. Looking for some bearishness though. High low bubbles, positive high low. Nothing bearish, dude, right? We're just moving sideways again. Strong bullish, trying to pump. We're hitting the 20, we're rejecting. So right now we have that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's see if we can materialize that and keep on going up on Ethereum. That being said, let's go check out XRP, which again, it's really bursting through the gates at 53 cents now. Resistance incoming at 54.81. Let's see if we can hold on to that. Let's go to the daily and figure out what's going on. On the daily, we don't have anything, right? Like high, low, even from the previous high, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Everything's good. Overbought at 78.39. Started to pump 2 days ago. Yesterday pumped a little bit, and today pumping still a little bit more. So we would have been onto XRP a couple days ago. Would have gotten this 86% pump, which is okay. Don't have anything bullish since we created this strong bullish back here. Just long sideways again. I wasn't really expecting it to pump that quick, but according to what I'm seeing and what I'm listening to, there's supposed to be a get together to pump XRP type of deal happening, which it's making it pump, right? We'll see. That could be part of the reason that is pumping, right? That's all cool, Ultra TK. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate that, though. And, just whenever you guys can be here, it's awesome. Magic of FOMO. Yeah, a lot of people are buying because they believe it's going to get pumped to oblivion like Dodge got pumped. It could be, right? It could be the case that XRP gets pumped to like $1 maybe, right? Who knows? Let's go to the 4-hour. Trying to develop bearish divergence strong on the 4 hour, right? At a low. But again, given the fact that one, it's on a bull trend since it started pumping, right? And two, it's being set up for an organized pump scheme, let's say, right? Where people on social media are all chattering about how they're going to pump XRP tomorrow and generating a lot of expectation. It's really not going to matter whether or not we have bearish divergence here. That would just imply action to the downside. We're not going to get it, likely, because, you know, there's a lot of chatter about it being pumped tomorrow. So we might hit that 54.81 cent, and we'll see what's going to happen there. Well, let's go to the chart. Happening. Had bearish divergence move down, created a hidden bullish, taking that pump. Guess what happened right after? We created more bearish divergence, right? High, higher, high. Now I'll just anchor from back here and here. Same thing, right? Strong bearish divergence, fraction of the downside. We did move down, hit support at the 236. Now we're taking a new bounce. And guess what's happening with that bounce? Even still, more strong bearish divergence. Did I anchor this one here on the 1 hour? Yeah. Then positive to less positive. And from a high point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So strong bearish divergence still for XRP. It might be a move to the downside again. Might not get it. Still have a lot of things going on here, right? In resistance now. Might break it. So, that being said for XRP, yeah, with that resistance, right? Bearish divergence strong. Potential action downside, but again, if they're going to pump it tomorrow, it's not going to play out, right? Yeah, if they pump it, it can go anywhere. I mean, if it's artificially pumped, who knows where it can go, right? It's being artificially pumped. That means it's going to be coming accompanied by a crash because it's not going to be able to sustain there because its market value is not there, right? It's like when the toilet paper outage, right? Or like what's happening with the graphics cards. Like they're being sold at an X amount of price. So many people are buying it off so quickly and they're reselling it at a higher price just because they know there's no one else buying it. It's like what's going to happen with XRP, right? But as soon as that market come back in and there's an overflow of graphics cards again, its price is going to go down to its regular price. So what's going to happen here with XRP, it's going to be pumped artificially. And it's just going to go up insane. And it's not going to be able to sustain it because that's not its real price value, right? It's going to have to come down again, potentially. And that's what I would be expecting. Again, XRP has been heavily underperforming the market. It's part of the reason that I'm not into it anymore. And I sold my XRP bags. Am I sad or mad that I sold them? No, I've gotten better returns wherever I place my money so far. So I'm happy that I'm not holding XRP right now. But yeah. Just making sure I'm not missing anything here in the chat. Scrolling. Anyways, that's what I'm expecting for XRP. You can pump more, you know, if you want to be part of an organized pump, go buy XRP. It's supposed to be pumped tomorrow. That's fine. If you are not into that type of things and rather just see regular market action to determine real price of the commodity being bought and sold, and, you know, don't buy into the pump, I guess, right? Clara press bikes. Yeah, again, I don't like it when people get together to pump an asset. I just don't believe it's the right thing to do. You're gonna affect a lot of people, right? Look, when people did it against when people did it against, AMC and GameStop, it all was to go against the hedge funds, right? So they were going against hedge funds that were shorting. In this case, when this gets pumped and people exit, there's going to be people on the other side of the transaction that are going to be buying at a higher price. They're going to be buying at 75 cents, $1, because they still think it's going to be going higher. When that crash comes, people are going to end up screwing other people, and they're not going to end up screwing the hedge funds, right? So here is going to be a pump and dump, basically, that's being organized for XRP by people that are talking about pumping it. So, whatever. You can buy XRP on Uphold or Binance, I guess, yeah. People Bank of China just injected 98 billion yuan into the market, yeah. And there's also speculation that China is trying to manipulate markets, right? They're trying to bet on what's the next asset that's going to pump. Binance listed XRP, but not Binance International, right? Let's keep rolling. That's it for XRP. Again, getting some pullback and resistance. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin high, low, positive was positive. Let's go on the daily first. Hitting bullish in that 20, rejecting, starting to move down, but sideways. Still within 100% at $146.48 to the 786, or $119.69. Not a lot happening here. Neutral at 45.21 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence hidden. Action to the downside, right? We called it. We got the action to the downside. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Neutral at 45.51. So that's that. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the bullish divergence. We took that pump. We hadn't created anything bearish still, but we managed to drop more, right? So low, right? And that happened by midday or so today. And negative, right? Less negative, right? And on the other side, we don't have it. We're on low, lower, but we have some strong bullish divergence for the action to the upside. And with that, we are getting that small pump. The question is, are we creating bearish divergence? High, low, and then high and low also. So no bearish divergence, right? That's pretty good. Just that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We might have had some divergence here. Slightly lower, possible. Nope, nothing there, man. That's it for Litecoin. Again, strong bullish divergence. We're moving up, but again, Bitcoin stalling a little bit. It's having Litecoin stall a bit as well. That being said, let's go check out RSR.
Bitcoin hasn't mined a new block for over an hour now. WTH.
Kyle Postler, thank you very much for that awesome donation. Legendary, man. Legendary. Thank you very much for that. You'll get one up, and you also get Deadpool coming out here to say OMG. Thank you, man. Thank you very much for the awesome $9.99, dude. I really appreciate that. I'm not sure, dude. I hadn't checked that. Bitcoin hasn't mined a new block. Do you have that information? Can you share with us on the Discord? That'll be awesome, bro. Thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. I appreciate that. Running up the next coin that someone sent here, so I don't forget it. On that note, interesting. Very interesting, man. Could it be that Blockchain Explorer's off? Yeah. I mean, it could just be that it's taking a little bit longer for it to go through, right? Just don't mind 1 hour ago. You're right. Thank you all for being here, by the way. If you like what we do, oh, sorry, I hit the bullish. I didn't want to do that. Be bullish and hit the like button on the sub, right? Let's go to RSR, see where it's at. 3.3. Let's go on the daily. Anyways, we did come down, hit that previous 100% high. Taking a small bounce, that's fine right now. Gaining 0.80%, so not even a percent point, but at 3.37 nonetheless. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We didn't have anything. We had the bearish divergence, fraction of the downside. Oh my goodness, we're moving down a little bit on that. And low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to hard point. Nothing there. Neutral at 45.28. So we still have that hidden bearish. And on the 1-hour chart, we didn't have anything bearish. Question is, are we doing bullish? Low, lower, negative, negative. On the RSI to lower point, nothing bullish, right? We're just dropping lower. High, low, positive, high, low. Last thing we had was a hidden bearish. Action to the downside. We're moving down on that. Holding support at the previous high. It's fine. Starting to bounce a little bit. Nothing bullish going on for RSR, so it's probably just following the rest of the market. All right. That's gonna be for RSR. Not a lot happening. Let's get DVT. Is Stellar pumping? I'm not sure. No one's requested it. Cassifer. Uni. Yeah, Uni's already on the list. This coin 11. DVT at 6.1. It pumped a little bit today, right? 14%, so that's good. Let's go check out its current price. Ooh. This is awkward, dude. I checked this earlier and it said, oh, there we go. 2. I wasn't refreshed. I was like, I checked this earlier. For some reason, it's not there. You can let's check out Zcash. Sure, bro. No name, no worries. It's gonna go on the list. Zcash. Let me add it here. Right. I didn't save it. File. Save. There we go. Anyways, DVT doing good, right? Pumping 38% today. Great. So going up slightly today. Again, like we said, let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the MACD and the RSI. It is going here. Columns and make it green so we can see it. Right? There we go. Right, so high, positive, more positive. High on the side to higher point, that's great. From back here, high, right, snaps, high, higher high, positive, more positive. Everything's good here, nothing bearish, right? MA, nice. On DVT, you finally made it to 100,000 coins. You actually own 100,000 coins? That's interesting, MA. Cool, great for you. Anyways, low, high, negative, low, high. That's it. Let's go to the 4-hour. We didn't have anything going on here. High, low, positive, high, low. Last thing we had, as we established, was this hit bullish. Right, from here to here. And from here to here, right? So hidden bullish averaging as the MACD and the RSI for potential action to the offset or stalling, and we're getting that bullishness. And we're actually moving up. Wow, that didn't work that time. Bull didn't come through. Weird. That's awkward. Now that bubble stayed up there. Awkward. Here we go, man. Let's see if we can get this to work. There we go. Great. For some reason, the bubble stayed up. And we have some bullishness. For a potential action to the outside, and we're moving up. So high, low, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish. On that account, DVT is doing good. Okay, higher, positive, more positive, higher, nothing here, low, high, negative, less, negative, low, there, hit the hard point, nothing bullish, nothing bearish, right? It's neutral at 6.01, and we had some divergence from like, I don't remember where. That was getting us to downside. That was in the 4 hour though. Then, you know, we created that bullish that's now getting us to pump again, and DVT doing really good. Yeah, if you need requests for coins and assets, just follow the small format that's right here, right below where I talk. It's how we request coins. So I'll check them out so long as you put them on that format. That way I know what's, you know, chatter from actual requests. I'm gonna keep on rolling here. Let's go to GRT. The graph. What? Yo.
Nice music, smiley face.
Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that, dude.
Hail to the king, baby.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, Remy. Thanks for the awesome €3 tip, dude. I really appreciate that. Dude, let's go to the graph. Right now, all the music that I get for the stream, it comes from Stream Beats, which is, yeah, pretty cool. It's royalty free, so I can play it and not get copyright strike, which is a game changer, right? Because that's pretty cool. The graph is going nuts. It looks like it. We're gonna check it on the daily. Still making a full retrace, that's fine. Getting above its previous high, which again, it's fine. Wonder. Let me go on the 4 hour, or is it the 1 hour that I have? So what I want to do here, it's go the opposite. Right? So I'm gonna go on the fibs. Fibonacci's, here we go. I'm gonna go from this same high that I had on the 1 hour chart. So go somewhere around here, which is close enough to the low to get to the outside, right? That's where there we go. Close enough. I want to see where we're targeting, right? The 1618, it's at 1.07. That is our next target to the upside on the graph. We had some bearish divergence, like we said, right? It's going super bullish. Big chance it might not play out. It's still here against the MACD, just not against the RSI, right? So the MACD just goes through there. The RSI, we're going higher. We're overbought right now at 70.83. So the graph, you know, not doing bad, but starting to get overbought. Let's go to the 4 hour, see what we have there. The 4 hour, we're looking for the bearish divergence here, which we obviously negated by going higher. Like we said, it was a big possibility that we could have gone higher because we're in a bull trend. We're going higher, so everything's fine. Higher, positive, more positive. Overbought at 77.61, so nothing happening here on the 4 hour. That is bearish. It's still on a bull trend, so bullish right now. And let's go to the 1 hour chart. Dark Destroyer, get ready to short XRP. It's apparently being pumped by an organized group of people, so who knows, right? It might go higher, man. XRP pumping, I know. Is it pumping again? I guess we're gonna keep on. Yeah, 56 cents. Wow, breaking above that 54-cent resistance. Awesome. Higher, positive, more positive. Nothing bearish. Here, we create some hidden bullish. I mean, here, right? Hidden bullish divergence on the graph. It's a pumping like a crazy. Yeah, cool. We'll get there in a second. All right, hidden bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. We're moving up on the graph. Now flagging at this level. We could get another pump. Maybe then create some bearish divergence. Right now, sitting bought at 64.51. So the graph's still pumping, right? Now with hidden bullish. Like we said yesterday, the last thing we had was this bullish divergence here. Fraction to the upside. On the 4 hour of the daily, we had some bearishness. Wasn't really playing out, right? Because we knew it was a chance that we're in a bull trend. Toxic lemon. It's crazy. Red people that call themselves gens in financial systems. Yeah, interesting, right? Jason, you shorted XRP 2 hours ago. Good luck with that, man. Like I said, it's being pumped by a lot of people, right? Andrew still owns one XRP. 57, next target, 58.72. Let's see if we have divergence by the time we hit there, and whether or not we're gonna reject or do something. So 74, slightly less though right now. We're pumping like a crazy, right? Getting a 19% pump because it's supposed to be pumped on Monday. So for the market, it's already Monday. E-gold, sure, man, it's not on the list. We'll add it up right now. I'm not sure if it's like a good thing or a sad thing that XRP has to be artificially pumped by a group of individuals for it to go somewhere. It kind of sucks a little bit though, right? Because we heard those news a couple days ago, maybe 2 days ago, saying that XRP was going to be pumped on Monday, and now we're getting that pump. We'll see, man. No name from your trade. Has the always played out as expected unless something sudden happens? Yeah, sometimes. Most of the times I would say that we're fairly accurate. Just weird when we get stuff that's not playing as supposed to, right? You think it's a pump and dumb? That's fine. XRP pumping. Let's see if it's gonna keep on going up, right? Someone wanted a high porn yesterday. We got a high porn today still. ETC time is Monday right now. I know, Art. So just be careful with XRP. Make sure you're not gonna get wrecked. And don't get wrecked, right? Just be careful. We know it's being pumped. Thank you, Amadeus. I appreciate that. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Join us on Discord. It's crazy, right? It's crazy that it's being pumped by an organized group of individuals. It's going up a lot right now. It's supposed to get pumped again today, like I said, on Monday. Let's see how much more it's going to get pumped, right? So that's going to be an interesting thing here on XRP. Never chase it. I know. This already took off, right? Like, if you try to buy right now, there's a bigger chance you might get wrecked. Mike Smith, XRP actually has a use case. Yeah, I know they have a use case, man. I've never been against XRP. It's just that they have the whole SEC thing going on. And until that's resolved, I do believe it's a high risk asset to hold. So just be careful with that, right? Make sure you're not going to get wrecked with XRP. Yeah, look, the pump with Dutch and the pump with XRP, it's still the same thing. It's an organized pump. People are gathering and according to raise the price of an asset on a given date. That is called market manipulation. And that is precisely what people are doing. When markets get manipulated, a lot of people get wrecked. And all it's going to do, it could end up hurting XRP's credibility long term, because then it becomes a pump and dump asset. I know, right? It's just like people said, let's pump XRP. Probably people that are holding XRP that want to dump their bags. They need it to go higher because it dumped so much with the lawsuit. They're trying to organize a pump to see if they're going to be able to sell or offload their XRP onto unsuspecting buyers and screw other people. It just sucks, dude. I don't like those kind of things. Anyways, we finished the graph. Let's go to EOS. Don't keep let me know if XRP keeps on moving up. Again, we do have targets to the upside, and we'll just keep on seeing how many targets it actually breaks through. There we go. I'm changing something here in the title. There it is. Nice Christmas lights. I wish you behind you a Bugatti Veyron next. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, Matthew. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right. No, I'm not missing anything else. Let's keep rolling, dude. I'm just looker here. Cool. How much do I think is required to start trading? It really depends. I would say like depends what kind of trader you want to be. If you want to be like a day trader, and you got to deal with pattern day trading rules, you need $25,000. If you want to swing trade, you can probably start with $5,000. Right, so long as you don't make more than 3 trades in a week, you should be fine. So, you know, maybe $1,000, $500 if you use leverage. Right, there's a guy who's gone from $560 some dollars to $1 million over 2 years. He started by using that 500 and change and using leverage, and he managed to grow his account. But that guy's also an experienced trader. He did it as an experiment and to prove people that you can do it. So yeah, it really, really depends. Let's go to y'all. Great timing for Eastern time viewers. Usually wake up at 1 a.m. 14 on Bitcoin. That's awesome, David. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. 1 million in 2 years. Great. Yeah, that guy took the account. Pump and hold. Not sure, dude. You can say that to a lot of people, but some people are greedy and they're gonna start taking profit. When that happens, it's just gonna be a house of cards. It's all gonna come crumbling down. And the awesome pump that people are managing it, it's all gonna become a pump and dump on XRP. XLM, sure, man. I'll put on the list. I'm just worried about people getting wrecked, right? I didn't join for the full ride. I took some positions. But that's a different story, right? There you're going against the funds, not against people. Here, people are going to get wrecked, not funds. So, you know, people are weird sometimes. They'll do anything to make a quick buck and screw someone else. And that's precisely what a lot of people are going to do with XRP if they dump. And they start offloading their bags, right? They're telling people, go buy, it's going to pump on Monday. Once it pumps, you're going to start taking cash. That's going to crash the asset. And a lot of people are going to end up hurting. Just for the greed of few, right? Anyways, and that's not going to be good for crypto, right? That's going to give it a bad connotation again, that it's a easily manipulated asset. And now we're going to have a lot of people come out and Janet Yellen and everyone saying, we told you it was for criminals. We told you it was for, like, you know, bad actors. Oh, it's you know, you can be land for, you know, pump and dumps or manipulation, etc. And it's going to create a whole bad image for crypto if, like, XRP becomes a pump and dump. So I'm not participating in that. Can you look at Rubik RBC? Sure. We're queuing up coins right now. All right, let's keep rolling. Kron says XRP is going to $10. Interesting. We'll see, man. EOS, high low, positive, high low. Last thing we had for EOS was bullish divergence for action to the upside. When we opened that, we haven't created anything bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, last thing we had was bearish divergence, moved down, hit that 20 as expected, taking a pump. That's great. Now we're coming from a high to a higher high still. And then we're coming from positive to that's positive and high to low against RSI. So on the 4 hour, it has some bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? Yeah, sure, man. It may. Don't worry. I didn't come to the list. I'm just a looker here. I'm a big newbie for trading. Sadly, I only have 480 to play with right now. You can still play with that, man. That's good enough. I actually started an account with 400, and it's doing good right now. So you can start with that. That's fine, right? No worries. Let's keep rolling. Anyways, bearish divergence, action to downside. That's what we have on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, move down on that, find support, taking a pump, creating more bearish divergence, right? So from here to here, we're coming higher. Then it'll be as if I anchored from the highest point on the previous island. And on that note, high to low and high to low, right? So bearish divergence, strong for potential action to downside. We moved down on that bearish divergence, right? Moved down, then we went low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI lower point. Even from back here, we were going some slight hidden bullet, very slight, almost unnoticeable. And I'll show you here, right? Look at this, high, low. When the chart is tiny, it's harder to see. This is what I'm looking at right now, right? That bullish divergence hidden for potential action to the upside, and that's what's getting us to go higher. Now high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to lower point. A little bit of bearish divergence here, right? Strong bearish divergence against the RSI, and the possibility for the price to go down again, right? With bearish divergence, potential price to downside. Target right now will be that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average sitting at $2.94. If we manage to move up, we're targeting $3 and approximately 18 cents. And then if we move to the downside, we're targeting that 236 at $2.64. That's great. Let's go to new. After new, we'll recap. New. New, very nice, getting above the 236 at 29.24 cents. On track to hit its full retrace, and that would get it targeting the 32.80 cent mark, right? Here, what we could also do for new is go from here to whatever the low is here. I'll be betting it's here or somewhere on there in the short time scope. There we go. And we're retracing it right now on the opposite fibs, right? On and I'm gonna throw those. I'm gonna send this to the 4 hour. Let's get this just in the 4 hours. There we go. And this one's from the daily. I'll just keep on the daily right now. Making a full retrace, getting above that 236. But if we do the opposite, right, and when we target this as a low, we're hitting that 786. So right now it's good. Nothing bearish. Slightly higher, I think. Still, let's see. This is 0.00715128 719. So slightly higher. Also coming higher and higher on the RSI. We're bought at 73.50. Let's go to the 4 hour on new. Mamba. What? Mamba for life. Thanks for being here. I'm not sure what you did with that, but thanks, I guess. Just wrote $10 sign. Great. When to sell? Oh, you were answering where to sell, I guess. What? A lot of people are calling for $10 XRP, man. That's gonna be insane. If it gets there, that's gonna be cool for a lot of people. We'll see. Sushi? Sure. Shout out from the 503, bro. Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Poppy Pizza, much appreciated. Let's put this here also on Sushi. All right. Yeah, AMC tomorrow. I left the swing trade open on AMC, so I'm wondering how it's gonna do tomorrow. It's gonna be interesting. This is on the 4 hour. Then on comp 4 hour chart, we're starting to create some strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. Again, maybe the movement down on the strong bearish divergence. Last thing we had was back here was bearish. It did bring us down slightly. Low high, negative, less negative, low on the RSR to our point. Nothing bullish. Again, we just kept on running up, and that's fine. On that retrace here, that 786, right? And we're slightly above it right now, which is pretty good, I guess. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Is it already 8:30 a.m. on the US? No. It's probably still night, dude. Pablo, man, the music is killing you? What do you mean? Like you not like it or something? Or is it too loud? I'm not getting it. Let me know. Yeah, 11:05 on the East Coast, yeah. Uphold. You can still buy an uphold, I guess. So I would say there. Yeah, I like the music also, dude. I want to hear some Kenny G. Yo, that's crazy. Music's fine. I know, right? Awesome, Todd. That's awesome, dude. That's pretty cool. Well, let's keep rolling, dude. What's happening with me on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour chart, it's creating strong bearish divergence for action to downside, right? And we're coming from high to low, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, bam, blam. There we go. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Let's see where it's going to go, right? This could be a touch lower. Comes between me sometimes. Weird. Thought it should be low enough. Yeah, lower it a little bit, I guess. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm not gonna be able to lower it right now on the stream, but tomorrow I might put it around 35% instead of like 40%. Raf Bean.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Thank you for letting me use that, man. I was dying to use that. I like the music, dude. It keeps me entertained. See, a lot of people are gonna be opposite, right? Someone's gonna wish it was louder, someone softer. For me, it's fine. I'm gonna check the output real quick to stream, and yeah, I think it's fine still. I can see that my voice is going much higher on the mic than the music is coming through. So again, I'm not super worried about the music, I guess. Official World Gamers, what's up? I'm not sure why no one's talking about AMP and GRT. Brent Prosser, thanks for being here. Much appreciated, man. How much did you buy? What? Jaku? I'm not sure what you're asking, dude. How much did I buy of what? XRP is going to pump more? Yeah, it's being pumped artificially, so we know. I'm not bought XRP again, dude. I'm not getting XRP, Jaku. I got out of XRP when it was starting to crash. I got out of a good area of value. I still made profits on it. I'm not jumping back in because it's being organized pump. It's an organized pump. We knew since 2 days ago that it was going to get pumped on Monday. And I'm not pro-wrecking other people on a pump and dump scheme. And I'm not going to participate in anything that it's a pump and dump. So a lot of people are willing to participate in that. That's fine. You know, I have ethics on trading. And if I know someone's trying to pump an asset or raise the price of an asset, I'm not going to participate if it's just to wreck other people, right? AMC and, you know, GME, completely different things, right? They're going against the hedge funds. Yeah, you're taking money from the hedge funds. That's fine. But here, you're really wrecking other people. That's cool, man. DVT? Yeah, I know. Awesome, right? Yeah, when it if it gets artificially pumped, it's gonna have to deflate, right? It's not gonna be able to hold the value that it has not created a solid structure for, right? So it's just mean it's gonna get pumped and it's gonna deflate. And it's gonna come crashing back down at some point in time. It's gonna be insane. Yo, what? Peter Skeeter? Yeah, I have morals and I have ethics, man.
For the chair or whatever you need. How you think February is gonna look for cryptos in general?
Tissa, thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate that.
Say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Dude, really appreciate that $5 super chat. Thank you very much for that, man. I'll give you one up for that, man. And Peter Skeeter, man, yeah, I have ethics, man. Leonel, Topo Chico time. Great, man. What I think it's gonna be February. February tends to be green, but January's tend to be red, and we noticed that we pulled a green January, so let's hope we can keep a green February. We're in a bull trend, so, you know, let's see if we can hold on to that and still manage to go higher. Thank you, Daniel, for the comment regarding the music. The level that you sell is entirely up to you. Surprised never been here. Again, new. Bearish divergence, right? Potential action to downside. That's that. We don't have anything else happening here. It's just still bouncing out at 20, bouncing at support at 26, getting up above that 786, still going higher. Again, on a bull market, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So there's a big chance that this bearish divergence doesn't even trigger, and we keep on going up. We might come down a little bit, retest support at that 786. We're established around that 28-cent mark at around, 29-cent mark, 29.13. That's gonna be it for Neil. Let's go to recaps, and then we'll do Algorand. I'm gonna do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Up next in the next block is gonna be Algo, Uni, SEC, eGold, XLM, RBC, Comp, and Sushi, right? And after that, we'll do another recap. I know, dude. We know. We looked at it. It was actually the third coin we looked at. Hello, possible positive, right? Bitcoin hidden bearish. We said it could have been it that it played out, moved this to the downside, and then we could start to move back up again. I would have loved the retest of 33,309 before actually pump again. Let's see what we're gonna do right now. We're seeing indecision. Looking a little bit like spinning top, right? High wick to the top, high wick to the bottom. That's that. Neutral at 53.40. Let's go to Ethereum. I agree that though people have more power than the banks, and that is fine. You can do that with any crypto, not just XRP, right? The whole point about crypto is that you're your own bank. The whole thing about banks was that you could give money, right? Like way back in the day, right? When you know what's called the bank, right? Because you had to do business while you were sitting in a bench or a banca, and back in the olden times. And when you didn't have money as a bank to pay, they would go and break your bank, and that's why it's bankrupt. They would rupture your bank where you did your business on transactioning. Back then it was fine, right? Because you would go and give gold to a person that was a bank. They would give you a note saying that you gave so much gold. You could take that certificate to another town and get money, so you didn't have to travel with a bulky coffer of coins. But then it gave this whole thing to it gave this whole growth and phase to where people could borrow more money. But right now, at some point in time, you had to borrow with collateral, right? You had to show that you had something to pay for that. And then the banks stopped giving a damn about that, and they just started issuing debt to whoever wanted debt. And that's where things get broken, because, you know, people cannot pay debt. Someone else has to pay for that debt. Guess where it comes from? The interest rates that you get charged. You get charged interest rates so they can compensate for those debts. So when a lot of people stop paying the bank has a lot of problems. What they're going to do is they're going to raise the rates on their customers that are paying. So the paying customers end up paying for the people that don't pay, so the bank can stay afloat. And then banks are also super bulky right now. They have a lot of people working behind them. There's a lot of overhead that needs to be covered with expenses. That's why you even get, like, you know, like if you don't transaction in a month or you don't have enough money, we're going to charge you a handling fee, dude. A handling fee? My account's sitting there, dude. Why are you handling? It gets automatically reported, dude, right? Like, why are you charging me a handling fee just for having my money there? Peter, no, I'm not Italian. Thank you for asking. Right, let's keep rolling, dude. Ethereum, right? Bullish divergence, action to the upside, getting that movement up. Trying to get above that 20. Sorry about that, guys. Weird notice popped up. Getting above that 20, so that's fine. Let's see what's going to happen there. XRP, dude, at 56. Again, rejecting a little bit around 58. I think we did hit 58 on the dot. Yeah, we're rejecting, and we have resistance at 58.72. Let's see what's going to happen if we get there. We still have this bearish divergence being built. It is strong bearish divergence. Let's see if we're going to keep up with it by the time we finish this candle. And that being said, that's a quick recap of the top 3 coins. Let's go to Algo. The graph. We already did the graph. It was coin 6, so I'll just quickly recap it. Yes. The graph at 82 cents. Again, nothing happening on the 1 hour. High higher, positive, high higher. Last thing we had, hidden bullish, action to the upside, moving up on that. Great. That's support. Now we're consolidating this level. What can happen? We can consolidate, try to pump back up again, create some strong bearish divergence there by going higher and then go positive or high, positive, high on the other side, lower point. Create some strong bearish divergence and then probably break down. We'll see. That being said, let's go to Algorand. Love XRP, Dutch, and my music. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Let's keep rolling. The 1 hour chart. Go to daily. Algorand, we're looking for bearish divergence a couple days ago. We still have it. All right, we just went up here. Got above resistance at the 786. Turning back around, dropping a little bit. That's fine. Not super worried. Still bought at 61.03. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside. We had it. We just completed it over one more day. And that is what we're in the action. The downside, right? Look, here we opened at that 786. And we're starting to move down. So great. Open our resistance, rejecting it. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We were also looking for the bearish divergence, but here we actually got rid of it, right? We went higher. And we also went higher here. So we got rid of that bearish divergence. Which is good. Now low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's such a hard point neutral at 51.97. That is that, man. Be content with morals. Thank you, Peter, Skitter. Appreciate that. Higher, positive, negative, less negative, low, and there's such a hard point. 51.97. That being said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here? We had bearish divergence, correction to downside. We moved down, then we pumped again, and we created more strong bearish divergence for more action to the downside, right? Then we got that breakdown happening. So bearish divergence being built here on Algorand, and with that we're getting this move here to here, and from here to here. Not low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish divergence. That's good. But we're gonna see it in a second how it played out, but I'm just gonna trace it, and then I'm gonna re-anchor or reposition as we get closer to place, but what's the mean? Right, so here's what I want to look at, right? On this, basically we created that hidden bullish, which is good, and we from here to here, and that's one within this island. Then we have the separation here. So here we're creating some strong bearish divergence direction down, so we don't have it against the MACD, and we drop slightly more, and check this, right? So from here to here. We are creating that bearish divergence, that bullish divergence hidden, right? We'll be going from here to here. But short term, against the MACD, right? From here to here. And this would be 458 and 451, slightly less, right? So negative, less negative, and we're going from a high point or a low to a lower low, higher low to lower low. So we have strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We're pumping on that, hitting that 20, rejecting, but fell to drop lower than the previous low, and that could give continuation to the bullish divergence that could get us to go to the upside. That is what I'm expecting, at least right now in the short term for Algorand. Here we have strong bullish, it pumped, right? Nothing bearish, broke down. More strong bullish, hitting the 20 and rejecting, right? Let's see if we can manage to not drop lower than the previous low and give continuation to this bullishness. If anything comes wrong, we could come here to 61 cents, go low, lower low, negative, less negative low on the RSR to our point, create more strong bullish divergence, and then try to pump on that. Great, that's it for Algorand. Ethereum is pumping, is it really? Where is it at? 1,326. Let's check it real quick. Yeah, it's getting above the 20. Awesome. Let's go to Uni. Thank you, Crypto Cat Lover, for letting me know that. Oh, what's up, dude? What's up, Autoflips? How's it going, man?
What's up?
What is XRP up to? Well, organized pump, apparently. So, not really inclined to participate. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go to Uni. The unicorn. What do we had here? Well, you see here, on the daily, we didn't have anything. We were going high. We did hit. Got 3618, insanely high. We haven't got any strong pullback for us to be able to like do fibs differently. And again, rejecting that area, which is fine. A beta fish? Yeah, I don't have beta fishes. I had one a while back, and it died. I have a dog. It's doing fine. This is the beta fish. No, beta fishes are like, yeah, they're fine, man. We'll see. Excellent. Sure, man. It's already on the list. Going 13, man. Thank you, Camso North, for asking. Brent Prosser, I finally purchased enough sats to have a full Bitcoin. You need the hype horn? Sure, bro. Let's go. Congrats, Brent Prosser, for having a full Bitcoin on purchasing with gains from your trading. That is really legit.
Hail to the king, baby.
I'll give you another hype horn. Why not? That's that, man. Awesome for you, bro. I'm really glad for you, man. Let's keep on going with the Uni, right? Again, moving down. Overbought at 74.61. Nothing happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, man, we had bearish divergence here. Nothing to here. Again, rejection of a resistance, right? Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support. We might be creating some hidden divergence. Let's see. Nope, negative, less negative. Low, high. Low, high. Nothing bullish, dude. Again, nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Scott G. Yeah, everything's good, man. Thank you for asking. Thank you for being here.
What's up?
So, last thing we had here was a bearish divergence direction downside. We were creating some hidden bullish. We did try to pump, failed to go higher than the previous high, thus we keep on tracking. Remember what I said? This thing is one of those ugly things that you can keep on tracking. Right? Still had that hidden bullish until we actually get the pump. So, even on the RSI is going all the way down here, but short term, right? Just imagine that I drew this line from here to here, right? But I'm gonna have to readdress this because in the short term, I don't want to get a lot of lines crossing, right? But had a low and then a negative, less negative, right? Strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD on the 1 hour and hidden bullish divergence against the RSI fraction to the upside, right? So again, bullish. Getting above that 20, let's see if we can manage to materialize it to more action to the upside. And that's going to be really, really cool, right? So let's move on Uni again. Nothing bearish in the short term. Besides this strong bearish, now we have strong bullish. Let's see if we can materialize and get above that 3618. That'll be around 20 bucks. So if you got into uni a long time ago, you got it free. You get a lot of dough, right? Like people got, how many unis did people get? Like 400 unis? Just go to Zcash. Sure, Caleb, I'll do it on a recap. Buff Mo!
What's up?
Thanks for being here. I'll do recaps after Sushi, man, because I already just recapped XRP and I did it at the third coin in detail, so you know. Is the XRP pump already underway or does it start for real tomorrow? Well, it's Monday for the market, right? So UTC time's already Monday, Josh. So it might already started. Are you late to the party? Zcash, let's go there. I don't think this is Zcash. Oh yeah, this is Zcash. We've been looking at. Just haven't looked at it lately. What do we had for Zcash? Last time we were looking at it, we had that hidden divergence, which is fine. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Fraction to the upside. We did pump a little bit, rejected 20, dropped lower, but guess what? This just tracks onto there. That tracks onto here, and we still have hidden bullish, and we got above that 786 again, and we're still between that 100%. That was an old high here that we had, around $97.65 to that 786, which is at around $81.87. So that's fine. Again, neutral at 50.98, and right now getting that sideways motion from the hidden bullish to the 4-hour chart. What song is playing right now? It's called Colorful Mind from Stream Beats. Let's go here. Right, look at this, right? Low, lower, right? Just no one had requested Zcash, so we hadn't done it in a couple days, but look at this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We also have it against the RSI, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, and then we pumped a little bit. Did we create something bearish? High, low, positive, positive. Nothing bearish here. Broke down. Don't do drop lower on the previous low. Trying to rally up again. And we are creating hidden bearish right against the RSI, right? So on the latest thing we have hidden bearish, potential action to downside, or at least sideways motion, and that we can start moving down and maybe hit that 20 again. That's it for Zcash. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right. Yo, Gadget, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Reddit is pumping XRP now, not tomorrow. But it's different. Pump and hold this time. We'll see, man. We'll see. People are greedy, man. Pump and hold only works until someone's willing to, until the first person sells. Once the first person sells, pump and hold like dies, right? You're gonna see a crash coming. People are gonna get scared. Particularly if people that are greedy and trying to make a profit, because you know a lot of people are gonna see that it's a pump and dump scheme, right? Not a pump and hold. We'll see. I can look at the log chart, man. You know, it's still the same thing. It's being pumped artificially. On the high porn. Yo, thanks, Brent. Thanks for being here, man. That's fine, bro. I mean, I like held XRP for 2 years to 3 years almost. I'm fine with the, you know, that I've done more profits by not holding it than when I was holding it. So there's gonna be a lot of conflicting information. Time will tell, and time will give someone the right. We'll know whether it was a pump and hold or a pump and dump after maybe a couple months or a couple days. We'll see. A lot of people probably were thinking that Dodge was a pump and hold, and look at where it's at right now, right? It's also taking a massive drop. So Zcash. In here. That's why I didn't buy any Dodge either. I don't like to participate on organized rallies, dude. That's just wrong. You're fixing the market. You're not letting the market run its real course. And market manipulation is not the right thing to do. 68.11, 68.08. Again, if people want an asset to pump, they should buy it on the expectation that it's going to pump, but not because people are getting together to say, let's pump this, let's send this to the moon. 460 last bull runner before that lawsuit. Yeah, I mean, it did get 2.76. That's fine. Like, the only way I'm going to hold XRP, yo, American Infidel.
GameStop equals modern day Tea Party. The entire population will suffer. Wall Street is no longer in charge. Mark my words.
American Infidel, thank you very much for that $5 donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that $5, man. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you for your kind support. You're always here supporting the channel, and I love that, man. Thank you very much for that. Dude, people know what XRP is. They will hold it. Yeah, look, Ricky, I agree with you. People do know that XRP is, but, you know, for me, it's a thing that if it's being pumped by the masses and not because of what it's really worth or regular market motion, it just means that it's being manipulated. So I don't want to be a part of that, right? That's just me. I mean, so I don't want to be part of a project that's being manipulated or buy a project because it's going to go up because people are agreeing to buy it and send it up. When someone sells, it crashes. A lot of people are going to get burned. I don't want to be part of burning people, man. It's not my style, right? Buying and selling without it being manipulated, it's good, right? So like I was saying, right? So if it gets pumped, what?
People are pumping because they're tired of the whales. This is digital revolution. I am not participating, but it is necessary, I've learned.
Dude, thank you very much for that again, dude.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yo, thanks American Infidel again for that awesome $5 donation, dude. I really appreciate that. Yeah, look, it's being pumped because people are agreeing to pump it, right? I don't want to be part of that. Again, people can buy. Again, if I buy and sell and then someone gets wrecked on the other end because they make bad decisions, but it's not part of an agreed manipulation, that's fine. That's fair game. But the fact that people are getting together to say, let's pump this, let's send this to the moon, really, really, it's not fair, I think. So a lot of people don't know about the pump and that's happening from like people agreeing to pump it, and that's unfair for everyone, right? So, yeah. Anyways, Zcash, right? Let's see if we're doing something short term. High low, positive is positive, high low, that's fine here. Low high, negative, less negative, low high, low lower, great. Hidden bullish here. Hidden bullish divergence. Fraction to the upside, right? Great. Taking the small bump, high low, bump. Low lower, negative, low lower. Right. So the last thing that I'm noticing here is this bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence against the RSI, for potential action to downside, and it goes from here to here and from here to here. So on that note, strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside. Let's see where it's gonna go. Brent, I'm not sure, man. I haven't looked at that, but thanks for letting us know, dude. That it's at 0. Yeah, we're gonna Art of Flips are gonna do that, but once I finish this round of coins, right? Because I already did XRP at the beginning. It was coin number 3, and I recapped it once. So when I get to the recap, I'll check it out again in a little bit more detail. But let me finish the current list. Let's go to eGold. Yeah, no worries, bro. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. eGold, right? We didn't have anything. We're just going higher, getting above that 1786 holding on support there. That's great. High, higher, positive, more positive. Overbought at 79.91. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right. So from the previous island to the new island, right, we're creating strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? Again, bearish divergence. Action downside. We're moving down on that. Awesome. Is that going to be a full run killer? Not sure. High, slightly higher. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. It'll also be taking as consolidation. We did break below the 20, but still holding support at that 1786. Neutral at 55.53. Making more negative momentum, so some hidden bullish divergence right now, right? So here. In the 4 hour? Yep, the 4 hour. From here to here. And also from here to here. So that being said, right now it has some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's see if that is going to keep on pumping, right? Yep. Okay, let's see if we can manage to rise on that on Eagle's 4 hour. Let's go to the Eagle 1 hour chart and see what's happening there. Right. So from the previous high, right, we're gonna see that we're coming from high to low. High to low. Positive, less positive, right? And on the price, we're definitely going higher. So we're creating strong bearish divergence. But I want to take this by steps. From here to here, we have strong bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. Then we pump, ready from one island to the next. Strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, breaking down. Then we're creating hidden bullish. From here to here, hidden bullish divergence. We took that pop, rejected the 20. Right, this is an interesting movie. Right, from here to here. And from here to here also. So, all right, we have hidden bullish divergence. Took that pop, rejected the 20. Now we're creating strong bullish divergence within the same island. So here to here. And from here to here. We're coming slightly lower. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. With that, we're managing to get above that 1786. And again, below the 20 still. Let's see if this strong bullish divergence that we just developed manages to get us above that 20 moving average. So again, last thing we have, strong bullish for potential action to the upside on E-Gold. Sorry, yeah, that's on E-Gold. That's that. Let's go to XLM. Yeah, no worries, Justin. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. $0.32 to the daily, man. Had a low, positive, positive, high, low, nothing bearish. Last thing we had was a hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We're trying to get above that 786 on a much larger. No, sorry, it's not at 786. It's a resistance that we have here. It just looks like my 786. It's our support now, or resistance at 31.93. Next target, that 236 at 36.23. And then if we break back down, we're going to probably try to hold support at 29.82, which we already held to twice. And we still have the 20 right there below at 28.75 for support in case, again, it feels a little bit bearish. But right now, again, last we had hidden bullish. What do we had on the 4 hour bearish divergence? Strong fraction of downside. We did move down, hit that 20, trying to take a pop, getting above that 31.93 cent mark, which is really good. High, low, positive, less. Positive, negative, high, low on our side, neutral at 59.24. So not a lot happening here. And on that, I'm going to move on to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, action to the downside, right? We move down, hit that 20, took a pop, high, higher, high, very slightly higher, high. Great, it's in the 1 hour. Then coming from high to low, right? Positive to less positive. High to low on the RSI, so strong bearish divergence, right? For action to downside, right? So that's what we're getting the move on. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower point, low, high. Again, bouncing off here. Are we creating divergence from back here? Yeah, hidden bullish divergence for that small rally to the upside that we're getting, right? And then it will be from here to here. So last thing this has is hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. With that, we could be looking for this to go up. Had a low positive, more positive hidden bearish. Not a bit then built. Yeah. can go with that hidden bearish, I guess. Right? We can do with that. Make it legit now. Here. And then here to here. We don't have it against RSI, just systematic, the hidden bearish, right? Potential return. And we're trying to hold. Again, look at that. Beautifully. We're hitting that 31.93. We're actually at 31.94. Trying to hold on support there. Let's see if that's going to manage to provide a good support. Should buy 10 Litecoin. Who are you telling that to, Crypto Man? 5,000? Not sure. Great. Anyways, guys, that is it for this project. Let's go to RBC, man. Someone requested RBC. I'm not finding it. So I'm not seeing RBC, dude. Dodge 3. Great. It crashed a lot. A lot of people got burned on Dodge. Yep, no problem, Martin. Yep, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Uh, 17.59 cents. Dude, I'm not gonna be able to chart it. So, yeah. Picking up here if we've done it before. No RBC, dude. I'm sorry.
Folks losing money to pump and dumps are those participating, failing to get out, and the hedge fund babies. I do not pump, but it's revolution.
Yo, American Infidel, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that, bro.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Hail to the king, baby.
Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for the $5 donation, man. Again, thanks for the support to this awesome channel, and thank you for amazing support, dude.
Thank you very much.
I also don't participate in pumps and dumps. Just not my style. RBC, dude, I'm gonna throw out. Thank you, man.
I enjoy talking to you this way. We will buy freedom if we must.
Yo, dude, again, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. Yo, dude, it's so cool, man. I'll give you a thank you very much again from Elvis. And another legendary, man.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you for the awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that. Yo, thank you very much, man. I need to get a better thank you. Just like the Elvis thank you, I guess. But yeah. Tiger PK, are we getting brainwashed with robotic culture revolution?
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Yeah, that's just like your opinion, man, right? That's pretty cool, man. Yo, thank you for that, man. I really appreciate that. Let's keep rolling, right? Next project, come. Oh, by the way, guys, I haven't done this, but if you like what we do, hit like them on the sub, right? If you've been part of this awesome community and helping build a great community here. You're on the Discord, join us there, right? Again, you can join us on Discord and ask stuff there. Donate more with your opinion. Thank you for that, man. The dude abides. Yes, the dude abides. You know, right? Brent, you got it. Yeah, it is a dude, man. The dude Lebowski. Besides Uphold, where the hell can you buy XRP? Tough question, man. I'm not in the US. I actually have access to free XRP if I wanted to. On my exchange, but hey, dude, that's not gonna be there, man. I'm not looking to buy right now. I've stated my position in XRP before, so let's get a comp. And the hype horn.
What did you think of silver squeeze, and is it possible?
Well, I think of the silver squeeze, and is it possible? Yeah, it could be possible, man. I do believe the silver squeeze could happen. It's just really gonna depend on the next couple weeks again, right? And see how that's gonna come through. But thank you very much for the awesome donation. Then again, I'll give you that. I'll give you that Hail to the King,
baby.
And someone ups. And Elvis, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the awesome $2 donation, AD, dude. I really, really appreciate that, dude. Thanks, man. Yeah, I do believe the silver squeeze is possible. We're gonna we're gonna find out in the next couple weeks, dude, whether or not it's a real squeeze that they're gonna do, or if they're just, you know, bluffing with it to try to get people to buy silver, which seems to be the case, right? A lot of people have been buying silver. How would you top the crypto market? No, I doubt it. Not yet. Yeah, I said comp. We're gonna do comp. Someone asked for comp. After comp is sushi and then recaps, right? So it's not that bad. We're just about to recap. Look, we were looking for bearish divergence. We said there was a chance it might not play out, and that's great. I mean, nothing wrong with that. It just managed to keep on going up. We said it was super bullish, right? Still bullish. So comp we'll see as a bullish, right? So still can go up more. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. We are aiming to hit that 1618, which is fine. We had the bearish divergence in the 4-hour. We moved down on that. Look at that. Moved down, hit the 20, took the pop, going higher, and then getting any kind of bearish divergence. That doesn't track it there. But short term, starting to create bearish divergence. It could still get to the 1618 and have bearish divergence and reject, right? So don't get me wrong. It can still go up, hit this area with bearish divergence, and then reject, right? But right now, it is creating this bearish divergence. Could mean a movement to the downside. That could target the 20 being at $305. This project sitting at $360, so it's quite a sizable drop for the project to go to the 20. Let's measure it in percentage from where it's at to where it should be going. It's a 15% drop if it wants to go there. But that would be interesting to see. Again, it could still go to that 1618, but right now it has that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, bearish divergence action to the downside. Guess what happened, right? We had it here. When we were live and then we checked it, then we, you know, kept on building it to there, right? And even to here, right? Look at that. It just kept on building until it finally broke us down. And like I said, it could keep on building because we're in a bull trend. Here we did get that movement down, flatlining it a little bit. You know, we also got it here. We also got it here, right? And then we're also getting it here. The only thing that's happening, though, is that we're trading this hidden bullish now. That is getting us to go to that new mini pump, right, that we're seeing here. And we'll check out what we're doing there, right? Then from here, right? We're gonna find from the lowest point or the highest point on this island. We're still creating this hidden bullish fraction to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, but guess what? Pumping. And on that pump, right, from the main island to this island, right, which will be going from anchoring from here to here, right? We have strong bearish divergence, fraction downside, and also on the RSI will be from the high to a lower high, right? Because we're coming up higher. So strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Starting to move down a little bit. With that being said, what? You just bought $200 of 0.99999 coins? Interesting. Brent says, I guess I'm disappointed after all the hype last year from Link. The hype, there we go. This is pretty bad. Yo, that's it, dude. That's it for pump. Again, some bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. It's still super bullish. Might go to that 20. Hit support that 20 on the 1 hour at $232. Let's do sushi. Who wants some sushi? Dude, talk about sushi makes me hungry. Oh no, I removed it. There we go. $10.19. What is sushi doing, man? Look, we had bearish divergence. We moved down, hit that 786, took a pump, got above 100%. Now on track to hit for that 1618. And look at what we're doing, right? I'm not gonna delete that. It's already played, but come from me to here. It's going to a higher high, and we are going from positive to less positive, right? And high to low. So pretty cool stuff, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. At least we're stagnating a little bit. Still in a bull trend. It could still be going higher, but right now it's right there, right? What?
So the silver squeeze would cause economical crisis.
Dude, thank you very much for that awesome
Say it with
donation,
me.
dude.
Legendary.
I appreciate that, dude. Thank you very much
Thank you
for
very
that.
much.
Someone, sorry, I'll get to that in a second, man. You need to get into PNT USD. What, dude? OV1 Kenobi, thank you for that, man. Just so Sushi causing a crisis. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure how strong that crisis will be, right? It'll just mean that precious metals are gonna appreciate. People might get out of stocks maybe to put it in precious metals if they see silver pumping, but if they know that it's being done on a potential pump and dump scheme or a potential organized pump, people might not do that, right? Ovi, sure, man. What's up? What do you need? Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside on Sushi. Yeah, it's still super bullish, so that bearish indicator might not play out strong. You come down here to previous 100% at $8.80 and then pump again. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down on that, great. And we pumped higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Not gonna call anything bearish there, even though from back here we're going high, low, high. There'll be some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So against the MACD, we're clear. When buying Bitcoin or Binance, what's the difference? Dude, what do you mean when buying Bitcoin or Binance US dollar? Well, Binance US dollar is a stable coin. Bitcoin is a free floating cryptocurrency, we can say, right? It's price is determined by supply and demand, I guess we could call it. Or the willingness of people to pay its price. And the scarcity that it has. And Binance dollar is just a stable coin created by Binance to use in their ecosystem. A lot of tagging would cause a lot of banks to close, like in 2008 or worse. Yeah, I mean, because a lot of banks are probably shorting silver, right? Particularly large banks. But you know, you think that's gonna happen, dude? The Fed, was created apparently, according to some conspiracy theories, to keep the banks afloat. It's not gonna let it, die out. So we might see banks bail out, and that's just gonna come from taxes of the people that are buying. So you're gonna buy silver, you're gonna make money, you're gonna get taxed on that, right? Whenever you like profit from your silver, and then that tax that you get paid is gonna basically be used to keep the banks afloat. So, Obi Kenobi, is what worth it? Whoa, dude.
I bought silver because America is headed to digital currency and extreme change/unrest. There's no stopping it. I'm off to bed. Night, brother.
Yo, American Infidel, dude. Thank you very
Hail
much.
to the king, baby.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude, for the $5 donation. You'll silver, yeah. Extreme change. Yeah, there's no stopping. Yep. You're off to bed, dude. Have a great night, dude. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for the awesome support and donations that you gave this channel, man. I really, really appreciate that. Dude, thanks so much. Let's keep the stream rolling, I guess. Can I look at Sushi? I'm looking at Sushi, Paul. Thank you for asking, man. And add a star crypto, and then you put an arrow up. I'm not sure what you need, man. I'm trying to figure it out. Binance US dollar. I mean, why you want to have a stable coin? You're looking to start investing into PNT USD. Interesting. Dogecoin equal debt at the bank. Interesting. Look, Obi Kenobi, you can buy anything around Binance. What one do you want? What? You can buy whichever one you want, Obi Kenobi. Again, it's entirely up to you. Just do your own research and try to understand what project you're getting into, what benefits it has long term, and try to see if it's a solid project to be around the next couple of years. Sushi 4-hour bearish divergence, potential movement to downside again. It's super bullish, right? Look at this trend. It's super bullish. So I would not be going against the trend here on Sushi. Still managed to pump more if it wants to. It's 60.30, but again, it has the bearish divergence. To me, that just gonna be caution. Now we're gonna get moved to downside, moving down, hitting that 20 at 9.39. We could move down to that 20 at 9.39 before actually bouncing again. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yo, Brent, thank you very much for the support, man. I really appreciate that. If you guys like what we do, hit like the button and sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Will Dodge reach back to $8? To 8 cents, I guess. You mean, yeah, 8. I'm not sure right now. Two Classy Gentlemen podcast. It was artificially pumped, so it has no reason to maintain a price higher than what it was before the pump. So if anything, I'll be worried about it crashing to its pre-pump prices, not about like maintaining that price, right? So let's go here real quick. Let me finish Sushi. I guess I'll take these by parts because we do have islands of separation that are going to be important to look at. All right, so against the MACD, strong bearish divergence, right? We didn't have it against the RSI. We went slightly higher, which is fine. Short-term MACD, we might have created RSI. We might have created something then from here to here, right? Then went from here to here still, right? So strong bearish divergence, turn potential action to the downside. Dropped a little bit. Negative. We'll check out for hidden bullish in a second, but look at this, right? Then from here to still slightly more higher pump. We're still going from positive to still less positive. High to low on the RSI as well. So right here. With that, we have strong bearish divergence still, right? Strong bearish divergence traction to the downside. Now let's try to hunt for the bullish. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high, nothing here. I really don't want to force data into the chart. Low, high, low, high. That's fine. High. Oh, right. This one works. That's hidden bullish, right? Hidden bullish. That's where we pumped a little bit. And trying to hold on to that small action to the upside. Hitting that 20 and rejecting you with that hidden bullish divergence. But that's the last thing it has, right? Hidden bullish, and it's just moving sideways at $10.19 right now. Quantum Universe TV Inc. It sounds like something banging on a piano. What sounds like something banging on a piano? I'm not sure, bro. Now let's go to recaps. Bitcoin, XRP. We'll start with XRP, I guess. Tan Mon, what's up, dude? When you don't know whether or not you should sleep or not, you should always go to sleep. Particularly if you're tired. People tend to make bad choices. They're up. Oh, look, XRP did hit 60 cents. What? And it's rejected. It's below 58. 58. We might be getting rid of this bearish divergence that we had, right? Look, we're going from here to here. Now we're making slightly more positive momentum, right? I'll spin. Going higher, so we're gonna get rid of this. And again, clearing off for more action to the upside. Great for XRP. You're holding it. That's fine. You're participating in a pump. That's also fine. I do believe it's being pumped, and I'm not really willing to buy anything. So again, also slightly higher. So get rid of this. That's that. XRP, nothing bearish again. Still pumping. Great. No advice, bro. You can go to sleep or not go to sleep. It's entirely up to you. But people tend to make bad choices when they're sleep deprived. There's studies on that. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. We had the hidden bearish. Oh, moving it down slightly. Starting to stall. I would love, again, like I said, see a retest of 33,200. Maybe hold support and try to pump again. Nothing else happening here. Ethereum at 1,317. Probably doing the same, right? Yeah, stalling. Doesn't have that bearish divergence, but at least it's stalling, so it's just following Bitcoin. That's it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's it, dude. I think we recapped everything. Miguel Garcia, thanks. You're welcome. Yeah, it's being artificial pump. Dude, by the way, before I keep on going through stuff, someone came in and told me about a chair that I should be looking at, which is pretty cool. Is this one? I was looking at the desk actually, but I'll show you the chair that I'm considering now. The other thing is, I don't like how they're handling some things here on the website. By the way, first of all, it's super slow for some reason. It's not working. Someone was talking to me that I should get a chair from here. There we go, man. This chair. which again, it looks pretty cool. It doesn't seem to be so expensive, right? And it's 369, but that's if I ship to the US. If I go to Mexico, dude, look at this. Right, that's to the US was 300 and change, right? If I just put Mexico there, free shipping, and then I put Mexico, the price just increases exponentially. This was $639. They like jack the price up $300 to ship this share to Mexico, which is really, really not cool. Which again, really sucks majorly. Brent, thanks, man. Can I check AMP? Sure, why not? Marky P, if you need something done, I'm not sure if you're just talking or something, or talking to someone else, but that's a request. Like add State of Crypto, whatever you need. Sure, we'll do AMP, dude. Why not? I'm actually out of coins on the list, so AMP is the only coin that's queued up. Joshua Davis, can you find a chair in Mexico? Not that one. And we've been looking, like, that's one of the goals that is up there, right? The chair. People are saying that I need a better chair. Not that I wanted a better chair. We actually put it up for poll, and a lot of people voted, and they said that I need to get a chair that is better than the one I have. I have a wooden chair, right? Like a kitchen chair, like a dining table chair. For me, it's okay right now, but, a lot of people are saying that I need to get a better chair. So that one got recommended, but as soon as I checked how much it was going to be to ship it here, it just went insane, right? Just satisfaction, because we already covered XRP, and we can talk about whatever we want. API 3. Sure, it's going on the list. Check out the eWin Flash Series ergonomic chair. Gaming chairs are not supposed to be comfortable, Brent, from what I heard, so... Talking about a chair? Yeah, why not? I'm cool. I know what XRP is going to do. We know it's being pumped artificially. What are you expecting to see there? We already established that we don't have anything bearish. A mana? Sure, I'll put it on the list. I just want to get that eWin Flash series. And what else? Let's see. Buy and swap, yeah. Why not make some profits? Bitcoin is the only way to make money. It's all season. I know. We're not only looking at Bitcoin. We already covered 16 different coins. I'm holding many coins. XRP is being artificially pumped. We know that, right? There's people that are getting together and saying, let's buy XRP, let's send it to the moon on a coordinated effort to raise the price. What's going to happen when the cash runs out and people start selling? They're going to drive the price down. No one has infinite resources to keep the pump going forever. They're going to pump it short term. People are going to take profits. They're going to end up screwing other people. I don't want to participate in that pump scheme that's happening on XRP, on the fact that I have ethics and integrity. And, I'm not going to participate in a pump and dump. I never participated in a pump and dump. I'm not going to participate in a coordinated pump for XRP. If you're a XRP moon boy, you can go punch Alex. Yeah, dude. Again, here we keep it fair. We analyze all projects equally. I used to hold XRP. I used to love XRP. I got out of it when it was started to dump, and that's fine. I'm okay with. I made my peace with my decision. Canwoon, what did you have for dinner tonight? Tamales. It's really good. My wife made them. So good. Everyone's entitled to their opinion, man. You can think Bitcoin is trash. That's fine. And the dude will say,
yeah, well, that's just like your opinion, man.
Yeah, Danny, right? It's like your opinion. That's fine. Everyone's opinion here is validated. Siavash, dude, sorry about that. The bot tends to time out people that put a lot of emojis in. So just don't put a lot of emojis in and you'll be fine. You already own and sell at a high. Is it bad? No, you're cool, man. I mean, you already own, so you can sell whenever you want. But if you're buying because you know it's going to go higher, you're really looking at probably wrecking other people. So Not sure, right? That's fine. Look, man, yeah, that's the whole problem about proof of work, right? That they consumes energy and resources to transact, but that transactions is what, secures a network. So there are other ways of making energy, right? The fact that countries are still pushing for dirty energy production with coal, with gas. There's hydrothermic or hydroelectrical, thermal energy, aerial energy, solar energy. There's so many ways to produce clean energy that wouldn't make it dirty processed, right? But people are still used because it's cheaper to burn coal to produce electricity from coal. But if you think about where a lot of the transactions for Bitcoin happens, particularly in China, they're being produced in areas where there's a lot of rain, and the hydroelectrical power makes it dirty cheap to process. So if you're like doing Bitcoin with really cheap energy that's produced naturally by natural resources, is it a dirty process? Right? I mean, just because the country that you live in might produce energy from coal burning or from other things doesn't mean that the rest of the world works the same way. What happens if you had like they're gonna build in Texas, right? They wanted to build a mining farm and that was going to be 100% self-sufficient with solar power. Would that be bad? I mean, you're using solar power to process. It's not a dirty process, right? That's just bad rap that people want to give it because, they don't know any better. See, Harris, interesting for you, man. Congrats on that. All right, I was trying to see if there was going to be any more requests coming in. That's fine, man. Let's roll. AMP now. We haven't looked at this. Interesting. Oh, deflationary collapse, yeah. Crypto Jeremy, what? Sorry, man. Joshua, I didn't get that. Let's roll. Dude, no way, man. I gotta get some rest. Tomorrow's a holiday for me, though, but I gotta wake up early, dude. I have kids. They're not gonna let me go to sleep. Do I have beer? No, I don't have beer right now. I actually have water. Think about cracking open a beer, though. Just for a chill. Oh. Water. On that glass over there on the bottom of the screen, those are bits. When someone tips, a little coin falls there to show that someone tipped. Cool, L Matthew 1000. I'll have beer in a second, man. Let me do AMP, and then it's just 4 coins: AMP, API 3, FET, and Mana, and then I'll crack open them. MP at 0.9 cents. Great. Let's start. Right. So on the daily, right? From slightly higher, so we're creating some bearish divergence for potential action to downside again. Here also below, right? Hidden bearish divergence. potential moving down. On that note, again, bearish, but look at how strong it's pumping. There's a chance it could still go higher and negate this bearish divergence that it has. It's hidden. The divergences get broken all the time. We also have it against, we don't have it against the RSI. It's against the MACD. Using trading view. I'll look farther back real quick. I'll actually fib this because we can. So I'll go from high to low. There we go. And that we can see that we're below that 786. And we could be trying to retest that 618. If we move down, if we move up, again, that 786 will be, it's going to be a resistance. We don't have anything bullish happening. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI to lower point. Again, just that bearish hidden that's there. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to higher point. Even here, go slightly higher. So nothing bearish, right? Nothing bearish happening here on AMP. So I'm not going to look at anything else here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, dude, the fibs didn't come through because I removed them earlier. I'm going on to the 1 hour and the other charts. So let's go to 1 4. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, look, up flipping consolidation usually gets exhaustion, and that exhaustion brings price action to the downside, right? So coming up higher, right? Creating this strong bearish divergence. You have it here. 72 is also the one, so high to low also on the RSI. Again, right now it has strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And we'll see how things are going to go. Are they going to revolutionize the in-person payment with crypto? Interesting, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to RSI. That's it. Right now it just has this bearish divergence. Again, it's super bullish. It's in a bull trend. I'm not going to say it isn't. So, I mean, from here to here, we could call the divergence. They already played. We care about what's going to happen short term. There's a possibility for it to move down slightly. This upsloping consolidation usually breaks down. We could even hit probably that 1 cent mark and then break down. We'll probably still have divergence against the MACD if we get up here. We'll see. That's for AMP again. Not a lot happening with it. Just looks a little bit like sideways motion right now. You're pumping into it. Interesting, man. That's good. That's cool. Let's I'm gonna do API 3. API 3 together, man. What's happening here? We didn't have anything, we still have nothing. Low, high, nothing that is bullish. Rejecting it to 618. In that 20, trying to bounce. Great, let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have here? Bearish divergence for action to downside. If we would have kept on tracking one more or a couple more 4 hour candles, there we go, and also against the here we go, right? And then high to low. Are we going sideways here up here? Okay. Slightly higher, right? In here, slightly higher on the daily for API 3. We just haven't looked at it in a while, so it's a 4 hour chart. There we go. Then positive, less positive, high to low. So strong bearish there. Still action to downside. Down on it. Low to high. Negative, more negative, right? Hidden bullish. Also have it against the RSI, right? So great. Hidden bullish divergence, taking that small pop. Into 20 rejecting. Then we created some strong bullish divergence. Right, look at that. With that, we're getting that action to the upside, right? Don't have it against the RSI. High, low, or high. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the RSI, lower point. Then here, short term. I do believe we're going slightly higher. We're probably creating some hidden bearish there. Yep, we are. From here to here. That one, I'll just get it there and there. Yeah, from here to here. And we also have it against the RSI. Oh no, just against the MACD. Hidden bearish. Potential action to the downside. We're moving down on hidden bearish. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Now we're creating some strong bullish there. It's for potential action to the upside, right? Low, lower, low. And negative, less negative, right? On the other side, we don't have it. We're coming down lower. Last thing we have, strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside on API 3. And we're trying to curve back up. Target to the upside right now would be the 20 moving average at 4.86. If we get above that area, that 236, that 2618. at 5.14. And if we break down the 1618 would be our target, and that's around the $3 and change, $3.84 mark. This is for API 3 again, sitting at $4.45. Let's go check out FET, man. The FET, the Bubba the FET coin, right? Interaction. No, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. If you guys like what we do, hit like the button, sub, right?
What's up?
Thank you all for being here. FET, let's check it. A higher possible. Right, so first, we're creating strong bearish divergence and bring below that 50% retrace. Which is fine. From here, and then from here. So with that, we're moving down. That's fine. Low, high, negative. Yeah, not gonna find in here. Everything's fine here. Just that bearish divergence, strong for potential action to the downside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. That's what we have there. VT. Sure, we'll do VT. But after mana, I'll take a quick break. I need to get something, and then after Fed is mana, and then I'll come back and do VT. A higher positive, more positive, higher such a hard point. Nothing bearish. Moving down on that. Low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish divergence, right? Right here. And look at that. It's pumping again. It's a pumping, man. The bet, it's a pumping, dude. Then neutral at 59.03. That's it. That's all it has right now going on. Nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Might have bearish divergence there. Oh, yeah, we do, man. Great. I can see it. See it with my eyes. And high to low. Positive, less positive, right? So bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Weixin Tan, you should hold whatever you want, man. I cannot tell you what to do. We heard some strong bullish divergence after that, right? I'm looking at here what we had. I mean, slightly lower still, and still have that bullish divergence here, right? So, there we go. We're creating that strong bullish divergence, right? Strong bullish for action to the upside. Doesn't drop lower on the first low. Doesn't mean continuation. Great. High, higher, positive, more positive. High there, such a hard point. Everything's good here, right? Strong bullish divergence. You can probably get again to 10.84 cents. It wouldn't be bad, actually. So with that, that's it for FET. Let's go to mana. I need some mana. A lot of mana. Yeah, people talking about XRP all the time, man. We're going to recap in a little bit. Stay tight. On mana, what do we have? Bearish divergence, action downside. Move down on that. Great. We're still above that 20. Between that 1618 and that previous high that we had here of 100% at the 13.36 cents. Nothing else developing here. At least I don't think we have anything else still. Let's see. Oh, we are creating some hidden bullish. Great. I had to come in to see that, but right here. Hidden bullish divergence. With that hidden bullish divergence, we're expecting to see that potential action to the upside, right? And we're getting that small stagnation happening there, stalling to the side at 15.04. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Resistance, we broke it on that on that strong bullish. Yeah, we had high, low, positive, plus positive, high, low. Nothing else happening here, just sideways motion, right? Like we said, sideways motion on the hidden bullish. Great. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Really no light happening here on mana. We're looking for that bullish divergence. We didn't have it here. That's fine. You know, we pumped high, low, positive, less positive. Ooh, hidden bearish against the the RSI, right? So we had some hidden bearish divergence, and that would imply action to the downside potentially, and we did move down slightly, but again, just that stagnation and sideways motion that we're getting, not really the best. All right, so like low, lower, low. Negative, last negative, right? On the RSI, we don't have it. Some strong bullish divergence against the MACD. But with that potential action to the outside, we move up, hit that 20 and reject it. Oh no, that rejection. He got shut down like none other. From here, that would be from here to here. So hidden bearish. Hidden bearish is keeping it down, but we have strong bullish, right? A strong bullish could potentially try to trigger us. Oh, the bull is behind the bear. That could potentially trigger us to the upside, right? I think I screwed up the charts. There we go. G family. Is a pump for XRP a good thing or just really bad? It's an organized pump, so who knows, right? It's going to go high, and then at some point in time, people are going to start taking profits, and they're going to crash it back down because it's not pumping on solid stuff. It's just pumping on people going in and buying more. Like, you know, how good or how strong do you expect to be that? Do that, right? Super Mono. Be right back, guys. Just give me one quick second. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and sub, right? I'm back. Thank you guys for being here. Oh, the music stopped. That sucks. Not sure why it stopped. It shouldn't have stopped. There we are. Great, the music's back. If you guys like what we do, again, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? Thank y'all for being here. I got the beer, man. Someone said beer, so cheers. Oh, it's pretty good. What? So many people in the house. So very few likes. Thank you all for joining me. I'm good, Bert. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
VT up next. Hit them likes, guys. Come on. Let's see if we can get to 150 likes. We're at 136. There's so many people here. Hit like the bell and sub. Michael Rosario, bro, dot. Sure. Do you want me to look at it? Or instead of crypto dot, if you need to look at it, right? Yo, L Matthew 2000. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Let's keep rolling. VT. The VeChain, is it doing things or is it not doing things, man? Our video, thanks, man. I'm here. Great, I guess. Right, so VT, what's it doing? What's going daily? Has a hidden bullish, right? Got a pump, rejected at 20. We know on rejection of 20, we look for lower areas of value. We're still creating that hidden bullish, so hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside if it wishes to go higher. It has it also against the RSI and the MACD, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. It's between that 258 area, 2.58 cent, and the 2.44 cent area. 4-hour chart. What do we have? Low, lower. Great. Creating strong divergence. So lower, low. Not that. Oh, this. And then from here to here. So we have that strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the opposite. Do we have it here also? Yep. Also against the RSI, right? Low, slightly higher. Great. Yeah, Riley, I'll cover XRP in a second, and let me finish VT. Again, potential action to the upside. That's what we have. Strong bullish on the 4-hour, right? Let's see if we can materialize that to a pump. On the 1-hour chart, we're looking for the bullish divergence here. Strong. We hit that 20 again. We dropped slightly more, but still, look, creating that strong bullish, right? Still creating that strong bullish. And here, you know, we kind of lost it against the RSI, but you know, on this last bit, yeah. It's pumping and rejecting the 20, going lower. Now low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, so lower point, nothing bullish. Trying to pump up a little bit, you know, hitting that 20 and rejecting. So the bullish divergence that we have is really not playing out here, right? That it's not looking super bullish actually. Right now, I would even say we'll probably have hidden divergence here, hidden bearish probably. It's from the daily. Look at this. From here, right? That's slightly higher, and then you can see that we're coming from idle. So we have that hidden bearish divergence, right? And that's what we're stalling there right now. Boomer and Neat, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit like the button to sub until you all say, yo, what's up? Let's keep rolling. Oh, that's it for VeChain. VeChain. Let's go check out XRP, right? Because a lot of people worried about XRP, bro. Marco Mateus. Dude, people are getting pissy about XRP. Weird. Again, guys, if you need requests, there's a small format that's right there, man. It lets me know that you're queuing up a coin, right? It's right there, right there. When I talk, it highlights. Right, so if you need me to look at something, that's the way we do it. That's the way I can go through the chat real quick and see what's chatter and what is an actual request, right? XRP doesn't have anything bearish. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to a higher point, I think. No, we're coming lower now. Great. Dude, we managed to not go higher, I guess, here on the small pullback that we had, which is good because we had some bearish divergence traced earlier. We kind of negated it, so now we have strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So potential action to the downside of that bearish divergence. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? That's what we need to determine. And the thing is, that we know it's being artificially pumped. We know that there's people getting together and say, look, let's make XRP go to the moon. Let's all buy XRP on Monday and send it high. And I would bet there are a lot of people, a lot of the YouTubers that are into XRP are probably buying on that pump and that organized thing. And that's shame, dude. It's a shame that they have no ethics, and they're really also desperate to get together and organize a pump for an asset. Why? What's going to happen when everyone runs out of money and people start taking profits? Because that's inevitably going to happen. A lot of people are saying it's different. It's pump and hold. That doesn't exist. People are greedy by nature. People are going to start taking profits at a higher point. And they're going to crash and they're going to end up screwing other people that are buying in. And they're still going to go back to their channels and say, XRP is the best digital asset ever created. XRP is going to go to the moon. XRP is going to make us rich, and they already sold their bags, and they're going to say, oh, I'm still holding my bags, man. I'm just going to buy, they're probably going to buy again when it's lower and just increase their bags. So, it's just XRP is being pumped. I'm not want to be a part of that. I do have ethics. I do have integrity, and I don't want to participate in pump and dump schemes. So, were I to have XRP prior to that, I'll be great, and I wouldn't have a problem. I probably would be looking for an out at a higher point. But I'm not going to rush into XRP when I know it's being artificially pumped. That's just not cool for the people that are going to get wrecked, because people are going to get wrecked. The people that buy at 58 cents, if this is the highest we get and it starts crashing, people that are buying at 58 cents are getting wrecked. So, you think the bankers are going to buy XRP? Dude, there's so much XRP out there on escrow to fund the banking, right? The banks are not going to buy your XRP. What do you think? Look, people forget that, yes, XRP, what happens with XRP? A bank goes to an exchange. Coinbase says, oh, I want to send a payment to Mexico. All right. Yeah, I'll put the liquidity there, right? I have XRP on hold. I'll put it up a position for you to buy. And even if they were to go and buy from the people, right, and ride it all the way up, when they go to their other exchange in Mexico, they're going to sell that position. They're going to tank that market, right? Unless that exchange, which is Bitso, has enough liquidity to hold that position, and then it gets matched. And you know what happens to the market? It didn't move. The bankers didn't buy your coin. What's the opposite, right? Let's say there's no liquidity there. They go buy from you. Yeah, it pumps on this exchange. And then what's happening in this exchange when they sell? They tank this exchange. And what's going to happen is the bots are going to regulate that immediately, and you're going to go back to zero. So you're not really going to see a lot benefiting from that, right? Does it matter? Yeah, I held XRP for a while, dude. Also, just like, sleazy ethics in trading. People laugh. I don't care if people laugh. I do have ethics, so. There's things that are different, right? Here you're going against people. People are organizing to pump an asset, and there's people that are going to get hurt. On GME, on all these other stocks, AMC, silver, whatever happens, people are going after the hedge funds and the banks, right? It's different. Yeah, there's people that are going to get hurt, but they're going after corporations. Here on XRP pumps, people are going against people, not the banks, right? Pumping XRP does nothing to the banks. Do you think the banks care about XRP? Do you think the banks care about whether or not crypto's still here tomorrow? If XRP is not here, it's going to be another coin, right? You go to like Stellar, they can go to something else. It's the truth, right? People can, there's so many cryptos out there that can probably do the same things that XRP can do. It's just that XRP already has the infrastructure for it. That infrastructure can be copied and someone else can handle it, right? Yeah, banks are imagine when the banks come out and they introduce their CBDCs, and all of a sudden your digital monies, right? You cannot send them to an exchange to buy crypto because they forbid it, right? What are you going to do, man? How are you going to buy crypto then? They can control your life with CBDCs. They'll know how much money you're getting, where it's coming from. Every cent that you make is going to be taxable when fiat or physical cash goes out the window. As soon as physical cash goes out the window and you have a wallet and the government knows what wallets you have on your tax returns, you're going to be highly traceable. You're going to get targeted on every cent that you make, and that's going to be taxed, dude. This is gonna give so much power to the governments on CBDCs that it's insane, dude. Right? Even though they say we're not gonna infringe on this and that, it just takes. Yeah, that's what they're gonna say right now because they want to sell it. But once it's there, imagine the IRS like saying, "Oh, this guy made $1,000, $50,000, $1 million on his digital wallet. We don't care. We're not gonna go ask him why." They're gonna crack down on people. They're gonna infringe your freedoms. Pay with crypto wallet, yeah. But that wallet has to not be traced to you. If it's traced to you already and people already know that's your wallet, you're screwed. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. Thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
I hadn't seen you earlier. Tom Morgan is what still looking positive. Monero all the way, yeah. Bitcoin 33,659. Again, sideways motion. We had the bearish divergence move down. We're stagnating. Great. Not doing anything. Ethereum at 1,318. Again, also not doing anything. Rejecting the 20 though. That's it. XRP 56 cents. It's also rejecting an area. Yep. Great. Yeah. Awesome. Really wise. Salute. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I usually use that for when someone tips, but I just wanted to use it to say thank you for the cheers, man. I appreciate that. What kind of beer? Barrilito, I think right now. See the can. This one. There you go. Monica, you can trade XRP on Uphold, and I'm not sure what other platform. I'm not in the US, so I can buy it freely on my exchange, but I'm not gonna buy it. What? JK, what's up, dude? Yo. Dude, JK, thank you for the awesome donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. I'll give you like 3 1-ups, dude, for that, dude. Really, really appreciate that, man. And on the high point as well. Yo, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate the awesome donation, JK. Thank you for the support to the channel. Yeah, awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Actually, I think we got to $50, over $50 now on donations. So I want to bring out the Seamus. Seamus is gonna come out to sit on my shoulder now, so I'm not drinking here alone on my by myself. Yo, say hi to Seamus. He's drinking his tiny little wee beer, right? JK FET. Don't forget the Bitcoin. Sure, bro. FET to Bitcoin. Sure, man. I already did FET. I think it was against the dollar though, but I'll do it against Bitcoin now. Why not, dude? You gave an awesome donation. I'll definitely check it out, man. Yo, Seamus comes out at $50, but he just gets to see it here, and as I do my TA, which is pretty cool. How pump could XRP could today? Patel Dev, it could XRP pump could today pump on a range market. Wow, I have like 3 different Patel devs asking the same thing, dude. What? Let's roll. FET, dude. Why not? The FET, the Boba Fett to Bitcoin. I guess I'm gonna go with Binance, right? Cat W Ethereum, sure. But you just want that cat lover because you're a cat lover and it's cat coin. Interesting. Awesome. Yeah, I'll do it on Binance, dude. Seamus and the hype horn. It's not the Irish hype horn. Yeah. It should be the bagpipe horn. We don't have a bagpipe horn, but we'll go with that. I always ignore the Bitcoin party request. I'm sorry, man. Just most of the outlets I look at are against dollars, but sorry about that, man. I'll try to like pay more attention to that, man. Thank you. Seamus says also thank you. He's whispering in my ear that I have to not forget to do the Bitcoin part, which I'm gonna do now, actually. The cat is pumping because the Dodge is chasing it. Ha ha ha! I see what you did there, man. I see what you did there. Where is this, dude? Yeah, the cat is pumping because the Dodge is chasing it. Bad joke, bro. Alex Marr. Great, you're drinking with your baby Yoda. Haha. That's great. I have a baby Yoda back there. You're not gonna be able to see it. Yeah, it's back there. You're not gonna be able to see it. Right, let's move here, man. Let's check this out. What's going on with this project? What? Right, so all right, so I'm gonna look short-term fibs first. Long-term fibs, I don't think we're making a valid retrace, and they're really not gonna work. So high to low, I'm actually gonna pinpoint this a little bit more now. And the bottom, yeah, anchor it where I need it to be. Yep, there, great. So on the fibs, we're not even making a valid retrace. We're not hitting that 236. That's what I wanted to check. And from this high to the low, we have not made a valid retrace. That would be once we hit 428 sats. We're now sitting at 318 sats. On a move down, I mean, what we want to do is a valid retrace so we know we confirm a local low. We're not there yet. Right? Guy's up 700% today. I'll check it out in a second, though. That's going to be the next coin after this, right? So, let me zoom in more here. See if we have something going on. I'm trying to see we're going higher, man. I'm actually gonna have to read the numbers, I guess. Yeah, 13, we're flatlining there. It's not gonna be anything bullish or bearish. It's just right now we have hidden bearish, and I was looking at why we're struggling to go higher. Hidden bearish would be the answer right now. Bought at 63.31. Did we create something bullish? Don't think so. Lower negative or negative low on their side to lower point. Nothing here, man. Short term on this small thing, we created some strong bullish, but just from here to here. And then from here to here. And then we made it at the zero line, right? The lowest point on that drop. Trying to pump right now. So that is that for this on the daily. Again, strong bullish divergence. Right now we have that hidden bearish for potential action to the downside. Let's see where it's gonna go. With a 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour chart, we have strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. So there was the possibility for action to downside. I do believe we've gotten it already. We hit the 20. We're trying to reclaim higher price levels. And that the move I would have called to a move to the 20 moving average on that strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. Right now we're trying to pump. Now, if this fails to get higher than the previous pump, we could be looking for continuation of the bearishness. I'm trying to zoom in here, see if we have something, but low, high, and I do believe we're going negative, less negative, low on our side to our point. So nothing here that is bullish on the short term for FET. But, you know, we have that strong bearish. Again, we're bouncing at the 20, trying to find support there. Let's see if we're going to get it. Brett, you still with the big drop, bro? Yeah, thanks for being here, man. Right on, dude. Let's see what we had here. It's gonna be like almost unnoticeable. Like, not that we're hunting for data. It is there. I can see it. but it's just almost unnoticeable. Actually, gonna make these larger so you see what I'm doing. High, higher, high, and then we're gonna be coming from overbought to bought is just tiny on the screen. I'm making it larger so you see what I'm calling here. Again, strong bearish divergence, moving to the downside. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI lower point, low, high, negative, negative, right? Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence. We're actually to the upside. There we go, man. Short term here, we also created some strong bullish from here to here. We're going from negative to less negative, right? So within the same island, some planted bullish divergence. And we got that actually to the upside coming, right? We went up high. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Low, high. Positive, more positive, low, high. Nothing happening here, bearish. Again, all the bullishness that we're getting is from back here. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD. And yeah, potential action to the upside. That's what we're getting here on FET, man. Louis, thank you for being here, man. I don't think it's been requested on proper formats. I just haven't looked at it, I think. Thank you for asking. So that's it for FET Bitcoin. JK, I hope that it's okay with you. What's that? Someone asked something about the MACD brand. MACD is good. MACD is wise. Yes, the MACD is strong. Again, dude, JK, I'll do this little Deadpool for you, man, and awesome donation. OMG. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. And I appreciate the awesome donation that you just gave me to do that, man. I hope that's cool with you. And if you need something else, let me know. Trying to find something else, man. Trying to find some kind of pattern, but it's not evident. There was a W bottom back here, like a potential double bottom, right? Look at this very clear W shape, but this already played out. It didn't hit its potential target, and you actually rejected the midline, right? The breaking line here. So if this was a double bottom, and then you would have been looking for the break here. That's why I didn't call it, because we didn't perform it, right? But double bottom is here. Very, very evident W there. I don't think I'm missing anything. I didn't get any head and shoulders showing up or anything weird happening. So it should be okay. No double tops or nothing like that. So yeah, that's it, dude. Rafael Suze is here. Hey, Donovan, thank you for being here. To you, I'll say,
What's up?
thank you for being here. Let's go to Cat. For the Cat Lover. Not here, man. Assuming it's this one. Here to market. And oh, this Cat with a double T. Could you give me the exchange, Cat Lover? I'm not sure which one is the one you want me to look at. Maybe you're dropping a high point in a bull market. No. Can I put Eagles music? No, I get copyright strikes. I cannot put that music. Uniswap, CryptoCat Lover. I don't think I can chart Uniswap. It really depends. So I'm gonna go with this one then, I guess. Go to market. Ethereum. Let's see if it brings a chart. Might not be able to do much here, right? Where the birds suddenly appear. Gentlemen, I cannot play anything else besides this, which is copyright for music. So, to your question of whether or not I can play something else.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
I can't. I can't play anything else. I'm not sure. There might be birds around the house. But I cannot play copyright music, dude. I get copyright strikes, and then the channel goes the way of the dodo. So I cannot do that.
Sorry!
Can't do that. Anything that has a copyright on it, I can't do. I hope you understand that.
My name is Jeff.
Yep. Dude, it is the music that I play. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not gonna turn it down. A lot of people like it. A lot of people enjoy it. The majority of the people enjoy it. So it's the music that we're going with. Thank you for commenting on that, though, by the way.
Can you give thoughts on Silv's QZ and consequences?
Can't do that, man. Can I give thoughts on Silver Squeeze and consequences? Yeah, sure, man. Thank you for that awesome donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thanks for the $1.99, dude. I really appreciate that. And the awesome donation that you just gave me, dude. So, let's keep rolling, dude. So first, let me, House and Cat. Let me finish this and I'll talk about the silver consequence. There's nothing I can look at here, man. It doesn't let me do any of my tricks for analysis of this volume and price action. Or liquidity and volume, that's it. I'm not even seeing the price. Oh, but that's not the point. Sorry, I'm gonna go cat. Cat W ETH, right? It's not pairs, man. Can't find a chart for this. So I'm sorry, dude. Cat lover, dude. I'm not gonna be able to do this. Thank you for that, man. Horn is dope. Thanks, man. Took a while to get that horn. Horn is hilarious. Yeah, thanks. I think it was Brent that requested a horn, and we replied. Why not? Yeah, it is, dude. Right? Look at this tiny little red, orange color beard, whatever, man. That's sideways. I need to like adjust it a little bit. There you go, man. Now it's no longer trying to make up with me. It's just sitting sideways and enjoying his beer. Anyways, that's that. Right? So the silver question. Yeah, I already pointed out that you recommended it, man. Let me get to the silver question. I'm gonna forget it, and I got an awesome tip for it. Can you give thoughts on silver squeezing consequences? Yeah, like you were saying right earlier, AD, and discussing with the other people, it's gonna get the bankers into problems potentially, right? You can set up a karaoke channel. Great. You can go on the Discord. We have a music robot there. You can probably play it a little bit higher than the music I have. And you can just sing to it. Yeah. He was telling me your secrets. Doesn't matter. He was telling me things about you. It was very personal. He was talking about how much you liked 1 inch. Oh, kidding, man. Right, let's keep rolling. So the banks might be suffering from that. Some of the larger banks, right? Depends on how strong the squeeze is. It's really all going to come to that, right? How strong the squeeze is on silver. If it's strong, yeah, some banks might be getting into trouble. But if banks are already like seeing this as a potential problem, they're already probably setting up things for that, right? Because it's something that happened a while back. Like, you know, the whole thing with GameStop and even part of AMC was that no one knew about it. But now everyone's aware of Wall Street bets. Everyone know that there's potential squeeze coming in for silver. So And it just all depends on that, right? Like, it really, really depends on whether or not the banks are prepared for that. So if they're aware that there's going to be a silver a squeeze, they already know that. They might be being prepared for that. No one knows how strong that squeeze is going to be. And if it's a super strong squeeze, yeah, the banks could be in problem. But we'll see. The Wall Street Bet's not pumping silver. Yeah, but apparently there's some organization, right, Soka? Or something was out that saying that let's pump silver or whatever. So it's really going to depend. I guess there's just a lot of chatter, right? Yeah, silver is definitely undervalued, right? It should be on a 10-to-1 or 9-to-1 parity to gold, a ratio to gold, and it's not there. So it's definitely silver. I believe is heavily undervalued. They're only trying to pump GME. Soka says that a lot of people are using Wall Street Bets to pump other things. Yeah, I agree. They're like, now everyone's Wall Street Bets, right? Everyone now, you can find some on Twitter like, oh, Wall Street Bets are saying that, you know, your mom is going to go to the moon, and then all of a sudden your mom goes to the moon, right? But when I say your mom, I refer to Yuma, the coin, like Yo Mama coin. So a lot of people, yeah, are using the Wall Street Bets name to pump stuff that is really not pumping. I forgot to update the list a while back. Sushi, and then we had a couple coins that came through. MP. Artificial pumps are artificial. Yep. I get jokes, dude. I get jokes for miles. Yeah, silver should be going up potentially, right? Are you gonna sell in the bid drop? Music be your guide. XRP at 58. Ooh, out of resistance area. Interesting that someone mentioned that. It's rejecting 58 again. Oh no. We still have 4 more minutes to go. Someone said silver's pumping. Let's go check it. Let's go see silver, man. Where's it at? $28. Yes, it managed to gap up. Wow, interesting. Because, you know, it's gapping up. Great. Silver needs to go almost to $200 to match up to what it used to be worth against gold. I'm not sure if people have enough money to pump that. Feel the buy on the beat. Interesting. More beer. Does it matter? Does it matter whether or not there's more beer? Drinking whiskey and salad. Oh, salud. Oh. I was like, you're drinking whiskey and salad? That's probably not a very tasty drink, Willie. But that's pretty cool, man. I don't have a cheers clink here, but trying to figure out what I can say to you. I guess 1 up will suffice. There you go. 1 up for drinking whiskey. Leprechaun, he has a drink, man. Look at it. He has his tiny little beer. He has his own stuff. I don't want to get the leprechaun cooties or whatever, you know. He can chill there and have his drink. It's fine. Oh, the casual expert. What a awesome plug you're doing here, man. Look at the guys are heavy tonight. My XRP trade. Glad to be here. Dude, Apostolic Mind. Congrats on that, man. I'm really happy for you. I'll give you the high horn on that, man. Precious metal is only worth around 12 trillion. Yeah. Yeah. And, you know, I was looking at a tweet that apparently Elon said a while back. It's like, you cannot sell a house you don't own. You cannot sell something you don't own, a car you don't own. You cannot sell stocks you don't own, right? But the whole point about like shorting is like you're borrowing stocks. But I think with you know, with AMC and everything else, was that there was more shorted than stock that was available. Like they were 100%, 140% shorted, where like they were like 40% exceeding the amount of stock available. So Yeah, you cannot sell stuff you don't have. They don't drink. What? It's Guinness, which is a dark color. Well, this one likes Harp, which is a light color. Harp's also Irish, by the way. I checked. I know. I've had a lot of Harp. I like it. I used it for the Black and Tang. Brand, Elon going live in 2 minutes. Awesome. The Pound Group, so weird, came out of nowhere. Now, much better investment long term. Right. Doubtful. I can try to look into something like that, AD, but I'll probably get information by tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to like find how short silver is right now. Yeah. It's not actually mined as a byproduct, bamboo. There's mines that produce silver, and it's not a byproduct. Silver is the main production of a lot of mines, particularly in Mexico. And I know because I work in the mining industry. And I worked for mining trading company, or for like major trading companies before, and physical markets for mining. So yeah, sometimes it's a byproduct, sometimes it's not. And a lot of mines is not a byproduct. They actually produce gold and silver, and they manage to produce doré, which then gets sent to smelters to produce the refined copper, the refined gold and silver. So it's not a byproduct. Sometimes it is a byproduct of the concentrates that you produce. And it comes associated with the lead, the zinc, and the copper. And yeah, it could be a byproduct then, but most of the times it's not a byproduct. There's mines that just mine gold and silver. They actually determine whether or not the viability of the mine by determining how much gold and silver they have on their body ore, because the precious metal, the base metals sometimes pay the extraction, then the precious metals is where the money's at, right? And sometimes silver, when it's in lower quantities, pays for the actual cost of the operation, and then the gold and the copper that comes associated with it, it's the profit that the mines take. So yeah. Me with the one-line jokes? Yo, you know that. At least they're not dad jokes, right? I've owned silver for 12 years. After his many wanes, I real business. Selling paper derivatives. Yeah, I agree. Derivatives are evil. Major pump coming. Awesome. Who told you that, Anush? Version with silver with TDA more than 10%. What? I'm not sure. Maybe, dude. Like, I would rather buy physical silver and actually hold silver than buy any kind of derivative or stock of silver. But look, what I can tell you is that this still goes up. Like, if you want to buy stuff and you don't want to hold silver, buy silver companies like, First Majestic, Great Panther, Capstone Mining. There's plenty of junior Canadian companies that mine in Mexico, which is a silver-rich deposit, or a lot of silver-rich deposits. And you can probably get that on. A lot of them are gonna pump if silver goes higher, right? A lot of those stocks, a lot of that stock is gonna pump. Brent Posner, no one's asking about 1 inch, yeah. No one's 1 inch anyway. Yeah, it's too small for. There we go. I'm not really making a lot of jokes tonight, but why not? Michael, it's fine, dude. People can buy whatever they want. I mean, yeah, once the SEC thing is over, if the news are good, XRP will pump again. If not, it'll come down. Right? Boomer says he got 5 inches today for his 1 inch. Great. I liking the 5 inches, man. I mean, I heard if it's less than 6 inches, it's not worth it, right? I never know. I never tried it, so. You're going for a full 7 inches now? Wow, dude, you're. I'm starting to get worried about you. Your swing trading might be actually make you swing. A lot of jokes with 1 inch. I love the drums now. Yeah, we haven't done 1 inch. No one's actually requested it, and you know, I'm kind of curious. Just gonna check it out because why not? I'll go back to XRP, chocolate wings. Be a foot long soon. Ooh, dude. Watch out for Ron Jeremy coming through. There we go, man. Let's see what's it doing, dude. It went to 5 inches. It did hit 5.5 inches, dude. Now it's pulling back down and shriveling to 4.73 inches. Great. Bat pump. Awesome, dude. Now people are organizing pumps. Insane. Higher possible, more possibles. Where are we at here? 76.29. Awesome, dude. Overbought. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, more positive, nothing bearish, moving down. Great. It's just consolidating at this level. Bought at 63.26. That's that, dude. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Higher, more positive, right? We talked about this yesterday. It doesn't have anything bearish going on for it. It could be taking a breather before it actually runs again. And look, right, negative. I want to draw some lines real quick. Right, so 1 inch. First thing I'm looking at is this divergence, which is hitting bullish. And we got the small pump, and then I'm looking at this drop here, right? Guess what that drop is doing? Some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Great. That's it. We don't have anything against the RSI. Neutral at 46.71. So if anything, 1 inch has some bullish divergence, right? Great. It's there, man. What? Yeah, Bitcoin takes buy stocks now. Can we count the F skin? I'm not sure, man. That would be like the wick, right? Thomas left. Sure, man. Just put in the request format right there. Add the state of crypto and then the coin that you want, and I'll check it out. Right? Wow, you might be making the weirdest move in the history of humanity, putting your whole life savings into one asset. It's like putting your whole eggs into one basket. Someone said something earlier. XRP. Sure, let's do XRP real quick. Yeah. Oh, it's a 57. It's still rejecting the 58 line on account that has bearish divergence. There you go. So Thomas Lab, dude, just put in that request, man. Go add the state of crypto, the coin you need, and I'll check it out for sure, bro. Right? Sam Moore, hi, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Or coming back. I thought I saw you earlier. Just go add the state of crypto, and then ask for the coin. Add the state of crypto pings me like a crazy Scott just did. IOST. So just do that, man. Add the state of crypto, and then, you know, whatever you were requesting, and I'll check it out. Trying to watch Elon Musk talk, dude. It's late for him to be talking. What is he going to be talking about? Sure, CRV. Sand on the list. That's it. Sand closes the list for tonight. Last request. We didn't get to 30 coins, but you know, with CRV and Sand, we're at least getting to the 26 coins, and I think that's good enough for now. A lot of requests coming in late, so it's almost it's 8 minutes past midnight, so that's gonna be it, man. Dude, you know, I'll just put AVA in. That's it, no more. List is closed. So IOST, high, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish here. Let's go out a little bit. Right, we can trim this. Hello. We'll get to. We're past the 100% and almost hit that 1618, but right now we're below that 100% and between that 786 and 100%, that's fine. We change pivots and go a little high and see where we're at, and we might be making it out, right? Which could give me different pivoting points. Think there a little bit. Yeah, we're making a valid retrace. Great. So I'm going to get rid of the first one. So targets to the upside. Now we're going to target to the downside because we're retracing. We dropped below that 236. We're actually dropping below that 382. We don't have anything bearish. We have some hidden bullish divergence, which could give us some continuation to the upside, right? For this on the daily, again, some hidden bullish. Great. Only against the MACD and hidden bullish again, potential action to the upside. Great. Let's move on to the 4 hours. Bitcoin waking up. Who's waking up, man? Ava, sure, man. I already wrote it down. That's it. Wow, great, man. Yeah, I cannot be drinking and chatting at the same time. Either I drink or I chat. So, plus, I'm just enjoying the beer, man. I usually want to relax and not get wasted. Right. Oh, bubbles busted out. Okay. Interessante. Yeah, get that. There. Come on. This. There we go. Alright, so I was looking for this strong bullish divergence that we have in the 4 hour. And with that, we're getting that potential action to the outside. That's great. Strong bullish divergence. Nothing bearish, right? Head and Misco, thank you for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
For DXY crypto, I'm not sure. You can do DXY. I'm not sure we can crypto do that. Crypto. Neutral at sold at 39.93. Do the 1 hour chart on IOST. Great. Look at this guy. Low. Power low. Negative. Less negative. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Some strong bullish divergence direction to the upside. It's going up, but it's hitting that 20 and rejecting. So it's not looking too strong, right? And then short term here, we're creating that hidden bearish. Look at this. High low. Don't forget the anchor. Oh, I forgot the anchor, Captain. All right. And from here to here. So with that, we have that hidden bearish divergence. Potential to the downside, man. Boomer! Thanks for being here, man. I really appreciate all your support, bro. I don't have a good buy thing, but yeah, I don't have a good buy thing. Thanks for being here, man. I appreciate it. Bet time? Yeah. I'm about to hit the bed also in a little bit. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, Willie, why? I'm not drinking that much. I just had the one, like not even one beer, man. Half a beer. This is for IOST, dude. Let's go sand. I don't think we've done sand today. Oh, thumbs up before I go. Great, thanks, Crypto Boomer. Yeah, guys. By the way, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Where's Ripple going? Who knows? He's being artificially pumped, so we don't know where he's gonna stop. Sand, dude. I'm hating how this project. Had that bearish divergence, moved down slightly. Took an insane pump, which is good. We didn't have anything to hear last time we looked at it. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there. Set to our point. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, moving down. Very likely gonna hit that 20 moving average at 7.45 cents. We're now at 8.12. That would be great support there. Let's see. We're making a valid retrace, which is gonna go from low to high. We're finding support at 382 right now, which is awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Lines are gonna be a little bit different here because of 4-hour, you know, it's a little bit higher, but that would bring him below 50%, and yep, and struggling back to get back above that area. Do we have something here? High, low, positive, low, lower, low. Yeah, some strong bullish divergence, but it didn't really like materialize into an awesome pump, right? It was just like bland. Here. Now, well, we're trying to pump, reject it, right? 382, we're down. Neutral at 39.40, nothing bullish since then. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. It was a brilliant Scottish accent. Thank you, the crazy Scott. Thanks for stream. 6 a.m. in Britain. Great. Where are you going? I'm gonna re-anchor this in here, and then in here. Right, so we had some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Yay! Let's see if we can materialize it. We got a pump and rejected the 20. Boo. Are we doing something else here, man? I do believe we might have some divergence here, and I'm actually looking for it. Right. I'm gonna go check out XRP in a little bit. Just let me finish this request that came in, right? So sand. Let's get in some sand, man. There was some hidden bearish divergence, but hello. Potential action to downside. That's what we're getting a reversal. Bearish divergence in the short term. That's that. Let's move on to the next project. That's it for sand. Again, potential fraction to downside. Let's go to CRV, and then after that we'll do AVA. The Honda CRV. Daily, man. We'll see, man. A lot of chat. A lot of chatter. Brand Trouser. Good evening, night, everyone. Oh, you gotta go to sleep, man? Awesome. I didn't get... Thank you, Hayden Bisco, for the follow. I'm about to sign off as soon as I finish this and do some quick recap. I'm tired. RV. We're looking for bearish divergence. We still have it, right? Bearish divergence, section of downside, moving down on that. Great, second day. I mean, we're still super bullish, and like I said, there's a chance it might not play out. You still come all the way up here, like we said, and we did get up there. But again, bearish divergence, right? Potential action to the downside. Right now, sitting bought at 66.81. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. For the 4-hour chart, we have strong bullish divergence, and we managed to go up on that. And again, very, very close to target, which is good. High higher, positive, more positive, high higher. Great, nothing bearish. Going back down on the divergence that we had on the daily. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. All right. So what do we have here? Look at this. Oh no, bearish divergence. Action to downside. Ooh, bearish divergence. Oh, why? The bear didn't come through? What? That's weird. It's awkward. Bear should be coming through. Waiting for that chat bubble to like at itself. I'm actually gonna hide it manually. And bearish divergence. There we go, man. So action downside. And we're moving downside. All right, so low, high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Great. It's great fun. There we go. Nothing bearish, just this hidden bullish for potential action to the upside. We're going up, hitting that 20 and rejecting. So what could happen here, right? Hit the 20 rejecting, we try to drop lower. If we fail to drop lower in the previous low, could be looking for a pump. If we get above the 20, again, potential action to the upside. Let's see if we manage to get above higher in the previous high. If not, again, continuation of the bearishness, which is what happened here. Got a pump, failed to get higher, continuation of the strong bearish. Again, we could start squeezing into a triangle formation, which wouldn't be weird. Neutral 48.08, and that's it for CRV. Let's go to AVA. Is it fine to buy now? What do you want to buy? I'm not sure. Let me know. We can get it. What? Carlos Herrera, what do you think of SNX? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at SNX tonight. I'm not going to look at any more coins for tonight. It's already closed requests. We're going to look at SNX tomorrow, man. You can request it tomorrow if you want. That'll be awesome. No more coins for tonight. No more coins. That's what he's... And that's me. No more coins for tonight. AVA, dude. Is the only AVA we have? Yeah. I haven't looked at this in a long time, dude. My higher high. We're definitely moving much lower, right? We got potential action to downside. By the way, guys, I know I said this plenty of times, but if you like what we do, hit the like button, so, right? Join us on Discord. If you're also here, I'm not sure how many people I have live right now, but probably a lot of people still. Yeah. By the way, Bitcoin Jag, who happens to be a mod here, has an awesome channel where he does his top 10 subreddits for Bitcoin. So if you want to see some of that, go check out his channel. Give him some love as well. He helps out a lot here. So he was really awesome. He does it out like all for free and stuff. So if you want to check him out, go check out his channel, Bitcoin Jag 09. And yeah, he has a lot of subreddit, and he's also trying to grow his YouTube channel, man. Keegan, liking the lights. Great. They're from Christmas. That's the only lighting I have. Sir Venom IK. GSP man. Yo, what's up? Again, yo. Sorry, guys, if I'm not looking at Twitch that quickly, but to the guys on Twitch, I'll say this. Get rated? I'm not sure. Am I rated? Am I being rated? Let me know. Oh, thanks, man. Awesome. Thanks for the raid. I didn't know. I'm not even sure how many people I have on Twitch, but thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, you can hit it to follow as well. Cutlass. A lot of people joining. Great. Ooh, I have a couple people on Twitch. It's awesome. most of the audience that I have, dudes, on Twitch. It's usually on YouTube, so that's where most of the chat goes through. But thank you for being here. I really appreciate y'all. And thanks for the support. Where my lights from? I'm not sure. Probably China. Did I jump into Dodge hype? No. Did I jump into the XRP hype? No. I don't like pumps and dumps. Or I don't like pump schemes that get other people right. I like to trade regularly. And let's go to 4-hour AVA. Sorry, man. A lot of people are jumping onto those. For me, it's not cool. Low, high, negative, low, lower. It's fine. Low, high. Again, nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Just sideways motion. Right? A lot of nothingness in AVA. Neutral at 76.61. This is the 1 hour chart. Again, if anything, we're like, look at this as a triangle, right? Look there, and then like that, right? So it's a symmetrical triangle being built. That's what we're doing, nothingness. And yeah, I'm fine with having it. All right, let's go to 1 hour chart. I don't think I missed anything. Higher. That's fine. Let's go to 1 hour chart now. Go, Lucky Charm. Yeah. It's magically delicious. Right, so on AVA, bearish divergence, strong, right? Bearish divergence, fraction to the downside. Look at that. The small bear that comes out there tells you that we have bearish divergence, fraction downside. We move down a bit. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, set to our point. Nothing bullish. Then we try to pump, fail to get higher, previous high. Does continuation of the bearishness, moving down slightly. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right. Strong bullish divergence here. Great. There. Great. I should get a ton of tiger sound. For the dirt. Here and here. So strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside, being that small pop, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish right now. Last thing we have is that strong bullish. So great. That's where it's going, dude. Dicky Arnado. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. And to you, I'll say, What's up? Yeah, mate, get some sleep. Nice content. Awesome, bro. XRP. Thank you, GSPT, man. What price can you buy Bitcoin? You can buy it at any price. It's freely available on the exchanges. I'm gonna give you advice. I think Jake went to sleep. Weird. Oh. Anyways, Bitcoin recovering a little bit. 33,900. Great. We had the hidden bearish. We have the strong bullish. We know we had hidden bearish. We still have it here. You know, I just got. That's why we're seeing that pressure on Bitcoin to really take off. Ethereum at 1,229. Great. It's just there, right? Pumping with Bitcoin. Awesome. XRP at 59, 58, trying to break above the 58.72 area, which is proven to be a resistance. We'll see, right? It's not breaking out. Yeah, it's starting to break out. 69. It might go to the next target, which is gonna be around 60 cents, I guess, 60 some cents. 63 and then 65 up. Now, it was a range pump. What are my thoughts on DOT? We haven't looked at DOT tonight, and I'm actually about to sign off. Noodles, good thing for that request. Oh, Jake's here? Oh, dude, I looked for you, and you weren't popping up on the chat. That's weird, dude. Like, look, when I look someone up, it just shows up Billy Bob. Add B, bye. Like, your name's not showing up on the YouTube chat. That's weird. Yeah. So I was talking about your channel earlier. Yeah, like even not now that you're still here. Look, I'll do it again. Yeah. Right? Bitcoin Jake doesn't come up. Weird. I was talking about your channel, so in case you wanted to like put the link. Right. Well, I talked about your channel earlier. I'm not sure if you wanted to put the link, but yep. You're smoking? Oh, yeah. Well, Bitcoin Jake, who I'm chatting with right now, has an awesome channel where he does top 10s of Reddits for Bitcoin almost daily. So you can go check out his channel and give him some likes and some subs as well. So I'm about to sign off, guys. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate y'all. It's late for me. I'm tired. Yeah. That's it for tonight. Again, thank you all for being here. I appreciate all the support you gave to this channel. If you like the content that we produce here, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is To The Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Again, it's a pleasure being here. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub, guys, if you like that. Also, join us on the Discord. All the content we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Remember, don't trade based on what you see here. It's all for education. Thank you for being here again, guys. Put channel name inside the State of Crypto also. Follow me on Twitch if you want. I've been trying to grow Twitch. It just like hasn't really hit. Thank you, Noodles Woodler, for the nice comment. Yeah, I wish Twitch was picking up more, but it isn't. Like, most of my audience comes from YouTube, so most of my concentration goes to YouTube. Anyways, guys, yeah, bring your friends over. If you like doing crypto and you like analysis and you like the information that we provide here and you believe it could be of value to someone else, point them over to our channel. We really want to grow this community more. Thank you for being here again and joining me tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then,